Right? Clear?
Yeah, now it is correct.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. There are two people I have identified. The third one is the market successes. Ultimately, we are looking for only revenue, no market. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Therefore, this we call it as a sales point. We call this as a sales point. Like, for example, the sales point, how do you calculate? No? It is from the market survey. You make this, how many people have purchased? You make this technical specification, how many of them are buying? If for one specification more people are buying, you give more weightage for that. Okay? Clear?
Yeah.
Understood? So you know how to give the weightage. Now, customer importance. What do? We ask a customer, do you want this? How important you are wanting? Then they will also give some important weightage. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So another weightage point we are getting it. So there are two items, we got two numbers we got. Yes or no? One is sales point, another is customer preference. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So the two multiply. This is the weightage. Now, in order to meet this, yes, ma, yes. Any doubt? In order to meet the, don't say, sir, no, screen is, no, I will show you the screen, right? I'll show you the screen. Because it is simple, no? Within 1 hour, I will finish it. Half an hour, I will finish it off. Half an hour, you take question time. And then I will give you this file, I will give you document itself, right? A smaller document. A bigger document also I will give you later, right? Because immediately you will say, sir, last time you taught something, this time you are teaching something. Yes, last time I taught something, today I am teaching something, QFD, on the same topic. I've taken a different example, that's all. Right? Now, there will be a relation, yes or no? The technical specification and the customer requirement will have a relation, yes or no?
Yeah.
Right? Now, suppose I'm manufacturing a car and the customer wants more mileage. Now, I am making a technical specification, the attractive color, the color specification I am making it. Now, is there a strong relation between the two? By giving a beautiful painting on the car, will it give you a mileage? No. That will have a strong relation with some other requirement. I want a beautiful color. Suppose customer requires, then I will select the beautiful color and paint on my car. Yes or no? So there is a relationship score for each customer requirement, and for each specification, there will be a relation strong, moderate, or weak. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So this we have got a number. Now we multiply both, all the three. Right? When I say both means the multiplication of the first two and this, or multiply all the three values. Then you will give a score. You will get a score. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So Q of D, Q, F, D, three numbers. I'm just multiplying, I'm getting the one which has got a maximum value is most important technical specification I must focus on. Understood?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You might have seen QFD diagram. I don't know, even if you're not seeing QFD diagram, it will be a complicated diagram like, but it is very simple diagram because people do it in different no row and column. No column will be in row will be in column. Therefore, they will change it. You will get confused. So don't get confused at all. Only these are the three numbers. You multiply by these three numbers and then find out which factor, which specification you should focus on. Okay? Understood? It is not the engineering efficiency alone we are considering. What do you mean by engineering efficiency alone? What does the customer want? What is the corresponding technical specification I put? That's all. This is speaking only about engineering efficiency. But does that speak about the success of your organization? No. So I bring into picture the market success for this also. Therefore, I include this factor also in this and making this QFD so that my design team will be very confident that if this product goes out, it will get a revenue. It will not come back as it is. It will come back with a revenue. Okay? Understood?
Yeah.
So we can take an example now. Right? I will take you some small quiz questions that may not be in the, what do you call, the document I share with you, but simple questions only. Otherwise, you may wait for some time, then I will copy that also and give it to you later on. By the end of the session, I will certainly share this document with you. Okay? Only thing is you have to remind me, ask me. Right? Anytime.
Sir, you have gone out of focus. Yeah, now it's okay.
That is my monitor camera is like that. Yeah, it automatically goes out and comes. Right? I have nothing to I have nothing to hide, my face. Right? If I move out, no, it will come there. No. Let me know. No. Sorry, I did not do. Monitor, don't do it. Right. Okay. I'll share my screen now. Are you able to see this?
No.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Your screen.
Yes.
I'll have to open file. Oh, I'll have to open Vision Excellence classes. I'll open what is the topic now? QFD. This I am going to share it with you. Okay. Oh, not this. Yes. I'll directly take the case study. Okay. QFD. There are two things. One is what and another is how. Customer requirement is what? Okay. That I'll put it on the left-hand side. That I'll put it on the left-hand side. Okay. CR1, CR2. Clear? Understood?
Yeah.
And then how important it is. I ask the customer itself, how will you rate this? Right? I put the rating beside them. I'll put 9. I'll put say 5. Right? That is, they are rating one. Like for example, I want a tasty food. I want the food also to be supplied quickly. Right? Now rate them. Which one you want more important? You want it immediately or you want tasty food?
Tasty food.
Therefore, you give importance for that 9. You give the time, no, even if it takes some time, it is okay. So I'll give importance. Rating is 5. Understood?
Yeah.
Right? Same way. No, technically also we'll go further. Because if I bring that, no, you may not understand. No? Because house are, you will completely change the rating. Depends, no? So then we'll have to have a brainstorming, all the multi-voting and all this thing and then decide. The relationship matrix. Relationship means I have a technical specification. You have the customer requirement. See, I put the technical specification one. I'll put T1. I'll put, sorry. This is importance. Okay. I got 2 technical specification. Okay. Technical one is automation. Automation means immediately you order, it will prepare and then bring it to you. Another technical two is something else, right? Keeping it at 100 degrees or 50 degrees so that by the time it reaches the customer, it will be hot. Something like two specifications. Now, how important it is, the relationship it has. I have already given you an example. Yes or no? What is the example I gave?
Food, मतलब कि which one is more important, food
Yeah,
or
which is no. I gave an example. This is not example. I'm just trying to bring it as an example. No, I am just not very clear in giving this example, right? But I've given a clear-cut example. No, recently.
car color?
Car color and mileage. Yes or no? Very good. So I've given two examples. Right? I'll give more. Right? With my wife, no, helping me, I'll give a lot more. Don't worry. Many more will come. Right? So 9 strong, medium, and then weak is 1. So this is the, either you give 9 marks, 3 marks or 1 marks in the relationship matrix. Relationship matrix will be where? It will be in the center. Understood? Are you
Yeah.
able to see this?
Yeah.
Somebody taught me how to get the collect. Yeah. Right. This is the relationship matrix. This again is a number. This again is a number. This number who is giving? We are giving with respect to the technical specification and the customer requirement, how much it is with the expert. Understood? Clear?
Yeah.
Right. Now, the sales point I was telling you, no? The sales point for each technical specification, where is this? Yeah, for each technical specification, I gave a sales point. Sales point. That means what is the strength of its the driving the sales. This technical, if I provide this technical specification, am I going to get more sales? Then have I got more sales? Then the selling point will be 1.5 or 1.2. If it is no impact, 1. If it is less, it will be 0.8. Understood? Clear?
Yeah.
Selling point, I don't know whether I will show this or not. Anyway, I will write somewhere here. It will be 1.2 to 5, 1 and 0.8. That's all. Right? Clear? Oh, maximum value I'll put as 1.5. Here lowest value is 0.8, maximum is 0.8. You can have any value below this. 1.2 to 1.5 is 1.5. Right? Maximum to lowest. Any value you can give. How? This is the technical requirement across the top. Across the top means this one. Where is this? Yeah. Understood? Across the top. Clear?
Yeah.
So I have provided customer requirement. I have given the importance value for the customer requirement. I have given the sales point value for the technical requirements, technical specifications, and I have also given the relationship value for this technical specification with respect to this customer requirement, for which I have already given an example. Similarly, you can make and fix values. The values will be 0.8, the values will be 9 to 1. Yes or no?
Yeah.
That's all. Once you fix this, how do you calculate what is the decision you're making? That's all. The rest and all, blah, 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 you don't bother about. And the roof matrix and all, I will tell you. Whether the technical specification, see, for example, I'll tell you this one. I'll make it as an orifice vector. I'll make this as a flow rate. Right? Now, suppose if the flow rate increases, the orifice also will have to be increased. Yes or no? Sorry. If the orifice size increases and the flow rate also will increase. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That's all. That means strong relationship. So you use plus or minus for this. If it is decreasing, this also is decreasing. If it is increasing, if it decreases, then we put a negative relation. That's all. That is only for visualization purpose. You just understand how it is. I'll show you. Now, technical importance and targets on the right bottom. What do you mean by technical importance? Technical importance is nothing but the product. The product. Right? Suppose here it is 9. This becomes 9 into 5, 45. Suppose I say 5. This is 1. So 9 into 5 is 45 plus 5 is 50. Yes or no? Understood? That is for this technical specification. And I also know the specific sales point is 1.2. That means it is 60. For another things, it may be 50. Right? Do it the same way, you will get 50. Don't get confused. I'm going to give an example and show you and explain. We have lots of time. Clear? Understood? For one specifications, I've given you the explanation. So the higher the technical importance, higher the focus should be. Right? And you also know what this technical factor is going to influence negatively or positively on the other specifications. Right? Okay. That's all. Either you use it at the right or at the bottom, depending upon, right? Okay. So I'm going to show you at the bottom. I'm going to show you at the bottom. So that if you change the rows and columns, it will become right here. That's all. Simple. Understood? Understood?
Yeah.
So that is nothing but a transverse change. Right? Copy. Visual way to demonstrate how customer needs translate into engineering metrics. This is what is QFD. Understood all this?
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you. Yeah, I want this response. Yeah, very good. Yes, and all. Then only I will be able to proceed further so that others will not point finger at me. You are going too fast and things like that, right? All of you, it is your responsibility to stop me and ask me the questions. It is a combination of engineering efficiency with market success, right? Why engineering efficiency? We provide what customer
Sir,
wants.
how this 1.2, 1.5 it is coming? Can you explain once again? It is 1 or 2 or 1.2 like that. Scale
Yeah.
is fraction scale is also
One second, I'll tell you. Now, you are making a red color bag. You are making a blue color bag, right? Understand? When you are making a red color bag, you have been selling 10,000 bags. When you're changing the color black to blue color, you are changing only 9,000. Now tell me, you are going to give a higher value for red color techniques, technical specification or blue color technical specification?
red color.
Oh, how much you will give? 1.2 or 0.8?
Oh, okay, 1.8.
That's all. Any value. One should be higher value, one should be lower value. That's all. I'm giving, keep it to 1.5 to 0.8. You can give 1,500 to 800 also. If you are good in multiplication with higher numbers, you are, but the thing is, you have your own thing. You want to go with the standard people or you want to go alone, right? Liberty is yours, right? I'm just only telling you the standards fixed. You can follow the standards so that any software you buy also will give it in this format only, right? Like for example, I'm giving you all the expected value that we give are with a 95% confidence value. Yes or no?
Yeah.
But some people give 99% confidence interval. Who are the people? Pharmacy people. Yes or no? Right. So they have their own standard. Where normal standard is this much. So either, and I've told you what is one means no impact. Strong impact means it drives the sales. I will show you. I'll give you more. I will give an answer, a detailed answer now. I was not to share that in that. So I have not shown it, but I will show it in this PPT exclusively for you. You can take a snapshot. Okay, understood. The scenario, the case study I'm going to come. Design a student backpack. You know what is student backpack? Yes or no? Understood?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, that's all. Which they are putting at the back, no? That's all. Two customer requirements. What? What are the two what's? I'll tell you. It should be lightweight. Yes, sir. And it should also be durable. But it should be lighter is more important. Therefore, they are giving importance rating of 5 for lightweight, and durable, they are giving 3. Understood? Marks are given. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right. And then, please note, I'm not going to QFD diagram and all, but I'm going to show you all the values in a matrix form. You'll be able to understand. You just have to feed in these values in your QFD so that nobody will understand. Don't worry, right? Okay. Technical requirement, house. This will be across the columns, right? Material strength, tech 1. I'm going to use only tech 1 and tech 2. So the material strength tech 1, and then fabric density is tech 2. So depending upon your application, tech 1 and tech 2 can be anything, and then the 2, this can be CR1, CR2. I'm sorry, I'm not consistent in my. I can make this as a CR1 and this as a CR2. Understood? Clear? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Therefore, my QFD will look like what? My QFD will look like this. CR1, CR2, this is 5, this is rating, and then here it will be technical specification 1, technical specification 2, and then the relationship value. Oh God, sorry. Relationship value, I'm just giving it 9, and I'll give you 3. So what will be the importance value? Technical importance value, how much? 9 into 5 is 45, plus 3 into 3 is 9. 45 plus 9 is 54. Yes or no? Understood? Clear?
How did you give that 9 and 3?
Hey, 9 and 3 only I told you, no? He gave, yeah, this gentleman. Avjit Khan gave me, no? This, 1 second. Oh, where did I explain that? Yeah. Yes. Are you able to see this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. It is visible. Yes, sir.
The technical specification and the customer requirement, if it is strongly related, the same example I have given you. How many times I have to give the example? Now I will give you a third example. The 2 examples I gave you was, first example I gave you was the car mileage and the color. Car mileage and the, what do you call, whatever is the orifice diameter, like that, right? Now I'll give you one more example. Technical, you can tell me what is the this thing you will give. The customer requirement is the lightweight. Customer requirement is you want for your son, you want the bag to be lightweight or it has to long lasting. Tell me, huh?
Sir, didn't get you. Please repeat.
Huh?
सर आपकी वॉइस कट गई थी दोबारा बोलिए
Lightweight, sir.
मैंने बोला कि there are 2. I will show you that. I will come to that this one, so that you'll be very clear. Let me not hide anything, right? Okay. Are you able to see this? Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now tell me the technical specification 1. What is that?
54.
What is the technical specification 1? Technical specification 2, I will tell you. Fabric density. Yes or no? This is fabric density. This is strength. The strength should be more, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If the strength is low, no, if you put more books, it will tear away. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And the density should be fabric density should be low. Yes or no? If the fabric density is high, the weight will be high. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Now tell me, if I have the technical specification, strength and lightweight, are they strongly related or not?
Technical one, 9 is having a strong relationship.
Therefore, I have put a 9 value. Understood?
Okay.
You can put any value between 9 and 3, but don't put less than 3. Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Normally, fill it up with only 9, 3 and 1. No other value. Right? Okay. That is what standardly they do it. Right? All examples they should do it like that. Yeah. That's why I'm telling. If I am the owner, I'll tell you give any value. Yeah. I want to compare it. Right? Okay. Understood? And then durable, strength and durable. But strength and durable is not so strongly related. Yes or no? Density and this are highly related. Am I right? Take 2. Therefore, they have given 4. Right? And they have given lightweight. Density and lightweight completely opposite. Therefore, they have given a weak relationship, means 1. Now we have understood how they have given the values. 9, 3, 1 and 4.
Yes.
All you need to do is find out the importance, technical importance.
So you told us to use only 9, 3, 1 and
Yeah.
1,
Yes.
but they have used 4 also.
That is what I said before that. If I am the owner, I will say that any value you can give. And I also told you below 9 also you give, but don't give below 3. All this is I told you. Please go through the recording. You will listen to all these things. You did not listen to me, sir. Please. Okay? Understood? I said strongly related, but the expert says that durable and the fabric, they give 4. And I also told all the technical literature, all the examples and all, they give only 9, 3, 1 and 9, 3 and 1. But since I am the boss here, I can tell you, and you also can give. If it is strong relationship, suppose it is a median. See, that is what they do in, see, these are all called ordinal data. Understood? Understood?
Okay.
I don't know who was asking the question. Ordinal means strong, moderate relation. Between strong and moderate also it will be there, no?
Yeah.
Understood? Yes or no?
Yeah.
And between weak and moderate also there will be relation, no? That is what I'm saying. The equal spacing is not there. Strong means I have got a particular concept. You may have a particular concept. Yes or no? Understood?
Yeah.
I may make so many mistakes. Still, Muthukumar may say that RK is a very good teacher. I might have made only one mistake. Still, Sundar will say that, hey, he does not know anything. Yeah, RK, don't attend his class. He keeps on making mistakes. I would have made only one mistake. Yeah, doesn't matter. It depends on the person to person perception. No, see, I will tell you. Yeah, today what happened. Tuvar dal. My wife was asking me, there is a tuvar dal. In Tamil, she said, I will just convert. There will be a small communication mistake. You grind it and put it inside the fridge. Now tell me, what will you do? What will you do?
Grind it, keeping in the fridge.
No, that is what I did. He threw the vessel on my face. She was not well, yeah. I was supposed to keep her in a good, but the thing is, sometimes, some jokes. Tuvar dal, when they say they grind and keep it in the river, what for this tuvar dal will be ground? Yeah, tell me. Tell me.
To prepare vada.
Yeah. So to prepare vada, you will grind the tuvar dal as it is, or there will be tuvar dal with what soaked in the water. That you will grind.
Yes. We need to soak it before.
I have to look for the tuvar dal with water in the kitchen, search for it, not search the tuvar dal. Understood? Clear?
Hmm.
So perceptions differ, no? When she says tuvar dal, no, I also took it the same way you took it, no? I took the tuvar dal and put it, powder it. In fact, this has happened today, only half an hour back. Right? So, thank you very much. Thank you very much for bringing my experience into this class. Okay. So, I have also given you this calculations. Understood? Okay, ma?
Yes.
No, don't forget it, yeah. Forget, yeah, Sanjana. Sarabhi, don't make me a joker, right? Please forget it now itself. Right?
I think, sir, what you meant is urud dal, I believe, not tur.
Urud dal, yeah, urud dal.
So if you are cooking tonight, then do call us.
Yeah. See, we don't know what is. Yeah. So, which one is most critical now? Which one is more critical? 54 or 17? 54. Therefore, I must focus on the technical one specification first. Understood? Yeah. Now tell me, is it QFD? If you are smart, you will give me the right
Yes, sir.
answer.
Yes.
No, I said if you are smart, you'll give me the right answer. That is what I know. Whenever you get the right answer, tell the opposite of that. No, immediately I'll press yes, sir. Because all these questions are asked with a trap inside. No, yes or no? Yes or no,
No,
Satabdi?
sir.
So you should say the opposite. No, sir. But then you'll get caught. No, I'll ask you why. Did I not tell you that QFD is the one where we are not only trying to achieve engineering excellence, but also with
Sales target.
market success. Understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Sales point you said. Very good, right? Therefore, sales point I have not considered here. Understood? Okay. Now, technical target, I have put no. So, fabric density, this I have put. Technical target, I have put. And what is the cost per? I am putting it. Based on what I arrived at so far in QFD. Understood? You said I have to focus on technical.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So I have concentrated more on material strength and then fabric density, let it be as it is. Right. Correlation matrix interpretation. The roof might show, roof I have not shown, roof will be like this. This is technical specification 1. This is technical specification 5. And if I put plus means what? If I increase this technical specification, it will have a positive relation with technical specification 5. Understood? Clear?
Yes.
If I put a negative, if I try to increase this, this will decrease. The effect of this will decrease. Okay? Right? So that is only for visualization purpose. I'm not bothered about that. You will understand yourself because you know what it is and what is plus and minus. Right? The matrix helps us. Now tell me for this T1 and T2, you will put a plus or minus. For this T1 and T2.
T1 plus T2 minus.
Hey, you will have to use only one, plus or minus. Use plus means positive relation. Minus means negative relations. Minus. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
If I increase the strength, density will go up. Yes or no?
Yeah.
The strength will increase in the. Sorry. The density increases. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
But I want lower density. Right? Understood?
Yeah.
Right? So what is positive, what is negative also, you should define. So accordingly, this plus and minus will have a meaning. Understood? Okay?
Yeah.
So the matrix helps us prioritize technical one because it most strongly satisfies customer needs based on the value that we have got. Understood? Okay?
Yeah.
Now, what we have seen, I'm going to tell you. How importance ratings 5 and 3 reflect customer priorities. Customers gives these ratings. And how relationship scores 9 and 4 9, 3 and 1 I said. I'm sorry, don't question me. There I've used 9 and 3. I've used 9 and 4 only. Just for, I hope you have understood, no? You permit my mistakes here. Understood?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Muthukumar, okay?
Yeah.
And otherwise I will change now right away. No, I'll have to put, no, this 3 and this 4 will get confused. Yeah, that is why 9. 9 and 1 is better, no? Okay, right. How technical importance is derived from multiplying and summing up these relations column wise, right? Understood?
Yeah.
Now, procedure to get the same thing. I'm giving it the procedure, how you are doing it. Customer importance, row weight, that is called row weightage, the 5 and 3. And relationship score, that is matrix entry. You give the entry comparing the specification and the requirement. Are they related or not related? Right? And then multiply these two values and sum it down along the column. That gives you technical importance. Understood? Clear?
Yeah.
Right. Now, this is how it is shown. Okay? Clear? Okay, ma'am?
Yeah.
What I have not shown here is, I have not shown here 5 and 3. Because I am going to show it by the side. And this is 9 into 5 plus 3 into 3. Plus 1 into 5 plus 4 into 3. Clear? And based on this, I have taken the target for this. Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm more particular about that. I have to focus that first. Right? Density this way or that way, I don't mind. But this, right. Now, sales point. Technical requirement. I have given the same thing. Now, you know how this 54 has come. Yes or no?
Yeah.
You know how this 17 has come. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And I'm just multiplying by the sales point. Okay? Muthukumar is going to ask me, sir, how did you get 1.2, 1.8? I'm going to
Yes.
explain now. I'm going to
Yes.
explain. Right? Okay. Okay, clear this much?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
The matrix helps us prioritize technical one because it is most strongly satisfying the customer needs and the market sales. Now, sales point, if it is, if the tech is a strong sales driver, then you give a value between 1.2 to 1.5. If it is going to remain the same, no? Like, for example, I'm going to give you a case study along with this session. But this case study, whether I add or don't add, no, the participants' interest is same. They are going to give me the same score marks. That means it has got a neutral impact. Yes or no?
Yeah.
But if I add a case study, the case study removes the interest you have shown in the main subject. Then you will give me a negative mark. Yes or no?
Yeah.
But if my case study is going to add on to my explanation for the QFD, you are give me more marks. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now you know where to give 1.2, where to give 1, and where to give 1.8. Clear for RK? Now what mark you will give? Yeah, 1.2 or
1.5.
thank you. Precursor, no? So that I can confidently be present in the feedback session. Otherwise, I'll run away, no? Okay, thank you very much. Right. Now, sales point multiplier reflects how strongly each technical feature influences the sales. Right? When multiplied, it adjusts the technical importance to reflect market impact. The technical specification impact should be there on the market. And that is there or not, it is going. Therefore, that it is just not customer satisfaction, it also includes. That is why I said that all the three people, right? One is the customer, another is the marketing sales people, the third one is the design person who is giving the specification. Understood now? QFD?
Yeah.
Very good. It helps us prioritize features, not only meet needs, but also drive revenue. A crucial insight for our team, required for our team. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Very good. Now, basis for choosing sales point values. You go through that, yeah? I got a problem, yeah? Please, pardon me, please, go through. Once you go through, that's all, that completes.
Basis for choosing sales point, market research, survey of focus, distance, sales data, person source, which is called sales. Data technical factors, density studies, competitive benchmarking, comparing similar products in market, sales announcement, marketing and its relative weight. That is 1.2 1 audit by decision.
Okay.
Sales.
So who gives the sales point mark?
Marketing.
Marketing people and sales people. And who gets this customer wants importance?
Technical team.
That's all. You got it. And who gives the what do you call that? What is that? Yeah, matrix. Relationship matrix entry. Expertise. Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. Design people or expertise. Thank you.
Sir,
Okay.
just show me that sales point calculation, that slide.
I'm going to share it. Yeah, you can go through that. I'm going to share it. No,
No, just a second.
I'll give you. I'll write here.
So we
Very
have to
easy. Yeah.
multiply and get the number. Okay.
Yeah, this 54. The 54 how I got, I've explained here.
Yeah.
That is old. That is old. Yeah. No, that is old. This. That is why I said, no, you should remember whatever I teach, no? Observation is very, very important. Clear? Understood? Into 1.2, that's all. Here, 54, here I'll write. Here, if I multiply by 1.2, 68. If I multiply by 0.8, 13.6. That's all. Clear? This is QFD. Clear?
Okay.
Very good. Thank you very much for asking me questions so that you have understood. Now I'm going to share it and then.
Sir, I have a question here.
Yeah.
So now, what is the final call on this? We need to go with the technical specification 1 to meet the CR1 and CR2. Is it
Not that we need to go with you need to go with all the factors, all the technical specifications. But you need to focus more on that technical specification so that it is not, what do you call, deviated. The deviation should be very, very low. 6 sigma should be there on this. Right? It can be 3 sigma for the other factors. Understand? The variation should not be there. If at all you want to improve, you should improve. Understood? Focus should be on this. Like for example, your see, that is what I'm saying. What is your sorry, this QFD is still not complete, Santosh Kumar. Thank you very much for reminding me this. We are going to compare ourselves with the competitors. Understood? Suppose I say that you should focus on strength, right? The competitor bags are having a higher strength. Then what should you do? When I say focus, you should try to increase the strength
We
to
should
their
increase the strength to
to
make
meet
our
their
match
strength.
or
increase the
match
strength.
Or
or
no, to match
better
that
than?
strength. Yes or no? Now you understood. Yes or no? It's not only
Yes, sir.
deviation. To focus means you put in all your efforts on that so that you succeed in that and get the market to your side. Understood?
Yeah.
So that part
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not given. Sorry. That probably we'll discuss later. Right? Okay. Come on. Where are you, Santosh? Run away. No, please don't.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. You understood? Thank you very much. So you don't want the sharing, right?
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi Kumar, you can take it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 350 only. You can take it. I'm handing over to Ravi Kumar. Since you are not requiring this PPT, I'm not sharing it here. Thank you.
Sir, please share it.
But I am
Okay, sir,
asking you,
please.
no? I was asking you 3 times. I was asking you before. Did I not, Ravi Kumar? And
Yes.
somebody said yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you don't want and the answer is yes, means I don't want.
No,
It doesn't
sir, please share
matter.
it.
Small communication gap. I'll share it and then you can be ready, sir. You can start sharing it. I'm just only chat box using, right?
Okay, okay, sir. Sir, you may join by 1 hour later, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. Once again. What is the topic? Yeah, QFD.
QFD.
Yes. You can download it and refer it. The last slide only will not be there, but that you know. Thank you. Over to Ravi Kumar. I'll come back after 1 hour. All of you, please note, you can ask more questions to Ravi Kumar. Right? I'll be happy if you ask more questions to Ravi Kumar, so that when I come, he must be sweating. Right? Huh? Hey, they have asked me so many questions. Yeah, I don't know. Please come and help me. Then I'll say, I'll come and I'll confuse you. Right? So
What happened? You are taking a revenge with me.
Okay, all the best. All the best participants, all the best, Ravi Kumar. See.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, guys. Good afternoon. It's sweating everywhere in India. Okay. Nice climate. Okay, guys, we are going to see this second part of this control charts. Previously, we saw this X bar R chart and X bar S chart. Okay, I think whether the recording is on.
Yes, recording is on.
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay. Okay, so we have been seeing this X bar R chart and X bar S chart. Both these charts are used to what kind of data, right, guys? What kind of data we can use is X bar R and X bar S chart?
Continuous.
Okay, that's good. You are still remembering that. Continuous data. Continuous, because it has been weeks. Okay, nearly 2 to 3 weeks. So continuous variable data. For that, you can use the average range chart and average standard deviation chart. Now we are going to see this charts for this attribute data, that is count or classified data. Okay, attribute for this attribute data, we are going to see what type of charts you can use. See, sometimes in the company, in the organizations, we have to classify whether it is good or bad, better, best or worst. Okay, true or false, like that. So here also we are going to see either it is defect or defective. So the types of charts that can be used for defects and defectives are T chart, U chart, NP chart, and P chart. So I believe you must keep your mini tabs open ready. So all of you, your mini tabs are open, right? Hey guys, are you able to see the screen which I'm sharing?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. PPT is visible.
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Please hold on. I'm opening the mini tab. Then time. So, why it is taking so much time to open the tab? Okay, so open now. So we are going to see this for 4 charts: C chart, U chart, NP chart, and P chart. So for defects, you are going to use this C chart and U chart. For defectives, you are going to use this NP chart and P chart. So sometimes the number of samples in the defects may be fixed. In that case, you may be using a C chart. If it is varying, then you have to go for this U chart. So you should be able to identify which chart you have to use when it comes to identification of defect. You know the difference between defect and defective, right?
Yeah.
Or is it?
Yes, sir.
The defect is a flaw or fault or a error or some kind of deviation and variation.
It is not
The product
rejected.
that has more than one or more than one defect would be a defective product.
If the
Defective is
Defective
rejected.
is rejected.
That's
affects,
rejected, not
affects the
usable,
intended purpose.
scrapped, rejected, not accepted, all these things are defectives. Okay, scrapped. So when it comes to defects, you have to choose this two, and if it is varying, go for U chart. If it is fixed sample size, every day, at every frequency, if you are choosing fixed sample size, then go for C chart. If you vary the number of samples, at every moment you choose it for inspection, then you go for U chart. Then when it comes to defectives also, if you have a fixed set of samples for inspection, then go for NP chart. When you have different set of samples every time, different number of samples every time, then go for this P chart. Okay. Now let us move into it. Doesn't have anything to say. So we will directly go to the charts. That is what I believe is better. So I will share the screen. That is my screen. Okay, I'm going to open this mini tab. All of you, just open the mini tab, and you could open this file also, Sigma level calculator file, which is shared with you. Could you open that also? Guys, do you have that file?
Yes.
Sir.
Which file, sir?
The Excel file.
Excel file, which was shared to you.
First, how to go, sir?
No, you have to check for the U and C chart. You have to check for the U and C chart.
Sir, in Minitab, how to go first? Where we first open?
Okay, just double click on the mini tab and open.
Yes, open. After that?
Okay, after that, you have this U chart and C chart, right?
Yes.
Okay, now please let me give you a small explanation. So first we are going to see this chart. We are going to see, we are going to see this charts on defectives. Okay, based on count, defects. Okay, charts on, sorry, not defectives, defects. Just a moment.
In graphs?
Oh, we are going to see the P. Just a moment. We are going to see the P chart. So P chart is connected with defectives, right? P chart is connected with defectives of variable sample size. P chart is connected with defectives of variable sample size. Okay. So
have you shared it? It is not showing.
It's not showing. What you are seeing on the screen?
Sorry, minute.
Oh, you are seeing my. Oh, sorry. I am not. You are seeing just. I have pinned it. Right? Share the screen. If I am sharing the screen, it must. Whether you are seeing the mini tab screen now?
Yeah, now it is visible.
Yeah,
okay,
now it is.
Now you are seeing the P chart, right? So P chart is used for defectives. Okay, P chart is used for monitoring the. Yes, Sundar, what is your question?
Sir, actually, in my industry, we are waiting the product, like our product, for every 1 hour. So
okay.
I want to go for the U chart or which chart, sir? Every 1 hour, I am checking my
what kind of inspection process you are doing? Either it is for rejections or it is for finding the defects.
To find whether my weight is in my specification or not. If not, I will reject that project.
Then it is defectives. Then it is defects. Then it is defectives. Sorry. Then it is defectives.
So which chart I need to use, sir?
Okay. Defectives, whether the number of samples which you inspect will be constant every time or it will vary.
It will vary, sir.
Then it has to be NP chart. See, here you can see, right? Here, this is, if it is varying, you have to go for this P chart. Yes.
Okay.
If it is varying, here you can see defectives. If it is fixed sample size, it is NP chart. If it is varying sample size, every time it is P chart. Correct, Sundar?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, can you share that sigma level calculator file once again, because I'm not able to open. It is showing download failed.
Download failed. Huh? Okay. What I will do is, I think you want all those.
That Excel file.
Right? Excel. Just a moment. If I have to close everything, okay. I will have
later also. Okay.
Some of you could you please share? Some of you could you please share him the Excel file on the chat? It is possible. Just a moment. I will try.
Class is also.
Oh no. Just I have this C and U and another file. C and U. Just a moment. I will try to get it for you. Okay, what I will do is I have created another file with this data. So I will put it in the chat. So you can download it from the chat. Okay, what I will do is I will put that in the chat. My goodness, I don't have this rights. I have this rights, right? Then GIF, emoji, file. Okay, I got this.
I have shared that sigma level calculator in the chat box.
Okay. Yes, very good. I have also shared this specific file.
Manigan,
Yes, now you have two drives. Yes, you can use any one of it.
Thanks.
Okay. I think I have to share the screen again. Okay. Now, all of you are able to see this PPT, right? PPT.
Yes.
Okay, so we are going for this variable sample size defective chart, that is P chart. Okay, so we are going to see a small example. Actually, as we have worked out the X bar R chart, on the background of the P chart also, we will be calculating the center line, that is P bar, an upper control limit and lower control limit. Okay, so this is what will be running on the background in the Minitab also. So let us take a small example. Okay, a plant is manufacturing a lot of picture tubes. This is the example. Yes, a plant is manufacturing a lot of picture tubes. Okay, so picture tubes for television. From each lot, you pull some of the tubes and do a visual inspection. If a tube has scratches on the inside, you reject it, and if it has too many rejects, you do 100% inspection on the lot. So P chart can define when you need to inspect the whole lot. Okay, so we are going to use a P chart to check whether the particular lot which you are inspecting continuously, okay, is fluctuating above the permissible control limits. Okay, so this is a defectives. Okay, and every time you can see the sample size is different. Every time you can see the sample size is different. So defectives, variable sample size. So you have to go for P chart. That is how you have to decide. Okay, now all of you please open the mini tab. In the meantime, you can copy and paste this data from the Excel sheet into the mini tab. Please copy and paste the data from the Excel sheet in the Minitab in column C1 and C2. That is number of parts inspected and rejected. Guys, have you done that? Yes, no.
Yes.
Then click on statistics, control charts, attribute charts. What chart? Actually, there will be two charts, P and P chart, diagnostic and P chart. Click on the P chart. Have you reached this level?
So what is the difference, P chart, diagnostic and P chart?
That is not diagnostic chart. That is not a record for us. This is a different kind of chart. Okay, so we doesn't need to use it. So this is for comparing the proportionate of the defective items. That is different type of land lease P chart, which we are not using. So let us click on the P chart. So now you got this details in the window, right? This window is opening up, and when you are seeing these two columns, so variable is the rejections, and subgroup size is the parts produced. Okay. And click on OK. We got this, guys. We got this.
Yes.
Okay. So since your sample is varying every day, the control limits, upper and lower control limit also has to vary. Okay, that is why you are having a variable upper and lower control limit lines. Okay, so now you can see in this P chart, which is specific for variable data defectives or rejections, you can see on a particular day the samples seems to project that the proportion was above the upper control limit. Okay, on 6th day samples, on the 6th sample, the projection was above the control limit. So you just try to identify the reason for it. Okay, what is the reason for the increase in the rejections beyond the control limit, upper control limit? Okay. All of you are able to do it?
Sir, we need to go for stat control charts for attribute charts and P chart.
Yes.
In that,
Yes.
we need to add variables as rejected and subgroup size. How much you need?
Subgroup size is the parts produced.
Okay.
You click on the parts produced, column C1. So all of you are able to do it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the inference is on day 6. So instead of monitoring the table, if you just draw the charts, you are able to find out that most of the days the rejections was well within the control, except on a particular frequency, except on a particular sample on the 6th time. Okay, it was above the limits. So you have to check on that particular day what went wrong in the production process or in the total system or whatever it is relevant to the particular manufacturing. Okay, so this is P chart for rejections on variables. Okay, so now we have one more example. I believe. Do you have this? Yeah.
P means is it okay? Proportion defective. Okay.
Yeah, proportion defects. Proportion and no proportion. Yes. Do you have this another example also? This parts produced rejected. Do you have this example which you are seeing on the screen in your chart?
Sir, what is the conclusion out of the first chart? Like on 6th sample, it is going out of the upper control limit. So
Yes, on the 6th sample, you have this samples going. You have the rejections going above the control limits. Okay, so that indicates that the non-conforming units in a sample on the 6th day is above the control limit. Okay, so you have to find out the reason. See, the reason is random. Sometimes that may happen. If the reason is quite random and if it is quite known to you, then it is obviously okay. But if the cause is unknown, why these rejections are happening, and if it starts happening frequently thereafter somewhere, okay, in a non-randomized manner, then you have to go and collect data thoroughly and find out the ultimate root cause for the more rejections. And if you are not able to find out, then obviously it will lead to a Six Sigma project. That is the ultimate conclusion. So if the rejections going above or below the control limit, okay, if it is a random cause, if it is a natural cause, then obviously you don't have to bother about it much. But if it seems to be a cause of worry, if it is abnormal cause, if you are unable to identify it, and if the cause is uncertain, then obviously you have to do a Six Sigma project, okay, to bring it down below the control limits. Yes, Sundar, what is your question?
Sir, actually, the upper control limit and lower control limit won't be the same now, sir, because it's
Yes.
always fluctuating. Why it's like fluctuating? Like we need to be like fixed, right? Because if there is no straight line, it was like upper limit also going up and down. I don't know. I didn't
See,
understand.
actually, if the samples which you are selecting every day, whether it is same or if it is varying,
it's varying.
So obviously, the upper and lower control limit also will vary because you are not dealing with dimensions, you are not dealing with continuous data, you are dealing with count data. So it will vary depend upon the parts selected for samples. If it is a fixed one, you will be having a fixed upper and lower control limit. If the if the number of samples collected, if it varies every time, then it will vary.
But we know, no, sir, like our upper limit and lower limit, because anyhow it will change every day. But we know the limit actually. We need to fix the limit. So maybe if you take like that, you will get like that type of fluctuation in the upper limit and lower limit. But we know the limit so that we can keep the limit. We need to find whether the weight or something is like within the limit or not. So we
If
need to
you
take
want to know the limit manually, you can use this formula. Calculate the average, and you can use this formula which is available in the internet, and you can calculate the upper and lower control limit for every sample size. For every frequency, there is no wrong in that. Okay. But in the Minitab, you are getting overall for nearly 19 frequencies, right? So that is why it is fluctuating.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Next we go for this NP chart. Yes, NP chart. When we can use this NP chart? Guys, when we can use this NP chart?
It's a value is fixed.
Defect is
sample size.
standard
Sample
size.
is fixed.
Standard sample defects.
Yes, when the number of samples, if it is fixed. Okay. So you can check the NP chart. Here you can. There is a NP chart sample. Yeah, NP chart. Try to pull the examples. So actually, there is one more example. You want to try with one more examples, the number of calls answered. We have this example. Okay, leave it. Okay, try to get this example. So a company is manufacturing smartphones. Want to assess whether the process is in control. So obviously, all the control charts purpose is to check whether the process is in control or not. Okay. And if only the process is control, you can think about improving the process. Okay. So the company is also trying to check out whether the process is control or not. Samples of the mobiles are taken at every 1 hour for 3 shifts. Okay. And tested whether they work. So defectives of the mobiles do not pass the test. Okay. So this is a NP chart. Okay. And we are trying to have the constant number of samples every time. So number of parts produced every time is 300 and the rejections are given. So please copy this sheet and paste it in the Minitab. in columns C4 and C5 so that we can identify easily. N is a sample size and P is a proportion of defectives. So NP means number of defectives. So the NP chart plots the count of defective units in each sample. Okay. So unlike the P chart, it will give you the actual count and not the proportions. Okay, so have we done this? Then we will go for the statistics. Statistics, control charts, attribute charts, and NP chart. Click on this NP. So now you got this box. What is a variable? Variable is a parts rejection. What is the subgroup size? The parts produced. C4. You have to check the column number C4. Guys, do you got it? Click on OK. You get a graph like this. All of you got this? Anybody having difficulty? So you have to use a NP chart when the sample size N is constant. When the sample size N is constant, you have to use it. And you have to decide based on the data type, that is, if it is going to deal with defectives or non-defectives. And you want to track the number of defectives. So this is suitable for fixed sample size only, and it helps you to detect the process shift in the defectives. So obviously the key difference between this NP chart and P chart is, in P chart you have a variable samples, in NP chart you have a constant samples. Okay, when it comes to interpretation, we are getting an actual count here. Okay, we are getting the actual count. We are not getting the proportions here. Is all of you are able to draw it completed? So here it seems to be perfectly all right proportions, but you can see some of the data are going close to the samples. So you check whether it is random or it is trying to evolve some pattern or something like that. So here also you can see there is some pattern. Continuously some 4 or 5 data are continuously declining. It is moving above. So you please check whether it is a random, whether the operators are collecting the data properly every time, whether the samples are chosen randomly, or it is any kind of manipulation or fabrication is going on. You have to verify that. Always you have to monitor the collection of data also if there is some kind of pattern or some kind of manipulation seems to appear on the control charts. But because data decides, the data makes you decide. Okay, based on the data only you are deciding. So you have to ensure that the data is collected in a fair manner before making the decisions. So if you have any kind of suspicions, just go ahead and cross-check the data verification process. It is very ultimate. Okay, now randomly you can check the data verification process to ensure it is done in a fair manner so that the data which you are relying on is correct. Guys, you got this NP chart? Yes, all of you got it?
Yes, sir. As per the chart now it is okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. As per the chart, obviously it is okay. We got it. As per the chart, the process seems to be within the control, but still you can see certain occasions the data is continuously climbing up. Okay, here you can see 7 points are climbing continuously. So please go ahead and check this kind of sample collections, whether these guys are doing fair manner of data collection or any manipulation. See, what they will do is today they will say, okay, yesterday 4 rejections. Okay, today let us put 5 and close the file instead of going for samples. Okay, yesterday it is 5. Let us not put 5. Let us put 6. Okay, let us put 9 tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So they will simply put like this because they are lazy to go and collect the data. Sometimes they will be not well physically to go and collect the data. So they may manipulate it. So obviously, without knowing they are manipulating, okay, they are manipulating it. And we have to find it out if the cause is not random. So this kind of data has to be verified. Here you can verify these two data collections. See, just a random check here and there will ensure that the data is a correct one. Always ensure the data is correct one, because data only helps you to decide, data only helps you to predict, forecast, estimate. So data verification in a random manner is important.
Yeah, can you just show me how to select the fields in Minitab once again?
Okay, no problem. Click on statistics.
Yeah.
Guys, if you have any doubts on how to run the chart, once again, please ask me. Don't hesitate. You can ask at any time. Control charts,
Minitab
attribute
free.
charts, then NP chart. You got it?
Yeah, NP chart. Then
click on that. Okay, you have pasted the data in the C4 and C5.
Just two we have to pick from there.
Yes.
Two.
See, you have okay. Just you have this kind of thing, right? You have pasted like this, right? C4 and C5. No.
Yes, sir. Correct. C4 and C5. No.
Parts produced and parts rejected. Just these two, right? Okay.
Yes. Please copy. Please you select that. Copy that from the Excel sheet and paste it. See, guys, you can paste it from any format, from Word, Excel, or anywhere, or even from PPT. You can copy and paste the table there. So this is where I have selected and pasted it. I have pasted it here, C4, C5. So just I am leaving a gap of a column so that we can identify it easily. Okay, have you done it? Then click on statistics, control charts.
Control charts, okay. NP chart, okay.
Control charts, attribute charts, and NP.
Okay, then
in the variables, parts rejected is a variable. Okay, click on that. Then what is a sample actually? Parts produced. C4, column C4 is a variable. Here you can see C4. Double click on C4. Then
subgroup size.
Subgroup size is parts produced. C4. Click on column, this one on the left hand side. You can see the screen.
Again, parts produced. Okay.
Yes. First one is parts rejected. In the variables, it is parts rejected. In the that is C5. In the subgroup size, it is parts produced. Now click on OK.
Then a Minitab free version 2 time downloaded and then it is expired. Now we are not able to open. So what to do, sir?
Oh, then actually,
two different mail
install
ID we open, but both is expired within a 15 days. Now it is not open.
It will give you minimum 1 month period. Yeah, then 30 days period.
It is 15 days period only.
Oh, then you have to. What I suggest is you install in a different drive. Don't install in C drive. If you install in C drive, it will detect it. You install in another folder in E drive or D drive, so that it won't check it out. It is a complicated process because Minitab, every software is quite connecting with the server. So it is very difficult to bypass the server. If you are connected online, it will, whatever it is case, it will expire. It is very, very, very difficult.
Sir, one thing just I am opening just in Minitab by going first file, then opening a new worksheet, then in file name what to be typed is a
Why you don't have this Excel Sigma sheet?
Sigma
level calculator sheet is with you, right?
1 second. Sigma.
What you are seeing on the screen, I have just opened Excel sheet. You copy paste this one.
In a file type, there are so many things that are coming. Data.
See, actually, what you are doing, you are trying to do open file type.
Yes.
See, you cannot. Actually, there is no file type. I think it is not available. You cannot do this because the sample is available in the Sigma level calculator only. The example. Sigma level calculator is shared with you, an Excel sheet. Even it is in the chat box.
Sir, please check the chat box. Once you can download the chat box from the Sigma level calculator and open the sheet for P chart and P chart. Take the value from a part produced and part rejected and copy it into the Minitab. That's what we are trying to say.
Oh. Then
You can check with the chat
I
box.
think in D drive, what I pasted. Okay, just 1 second. In Lean Six Sigma, MSME.
Once it is downloaded, now you can check with the downloaded folder.
Yes, Sigma level calculator I downloaded already. Okay,
Yes.
open.
Okay,
Yes,
in that
open.
you can check for
Now
P
you
and
can,
NP chart.
Runtime error. Oh. It is error something coming.
Okay, please try it out. In the meantime, you please observe. So finally, we can try it with your shared screen. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Then in the meantime, we can go for this next chart. That is defects.
So
We will try
sorry
it.
to interrupt. What will be the subgroup size? Matlab, I am pasting its part produced, but it's showing an error. It's showing that please specify a single numeric value greater than 1.
So actually, then it might have chosen the wrong kind of chart. Control charts, attribute charts, NP chart. This is what you must be seeing on the screen, right? This parts produced C4 is the subgroup size. Variable is a parts rejected. Here parts produced C4. Are you doing this? If you are doing this, then you won't have any problem. If you have chosen NP chart or any other P chart or something else, you might have a problem. Are you seeing this column? Got it, guys? Okay, then we will navigate to this defect charts.
Okay.
Either fixed and variable defect charts. Okay, anybody having doubt with running the charts, we will see in the end. You will be asked to share this. You can share your screen and we will guide you so that I will be able to understand what kind of fault you are going through. Okay, so in the meantime, others are also waiting. Nearly 25 participants are there. So we will run the defect charts and finally we will come to you so that you can share your screen. I will help you to run the charts. Okay, guys, please bear with me. So let us go for this defect chart, C chart and U chart. The sample size is constant, C. When the sample size in the defect, if it is varying, it is U. Okay. So let us go for this U chart. U chart is preferred when the defect is varying, when the defect samples are varying. When the defect samples are, okay. So you know the defects are the non-conformatives. Okay, that is flaws or fault. Okay. So we will see an example. Here there is an example. A company wants to assess the quality of its transcription service or a bill or kind of check or kind of some passport or something. They sample nearly 25 samples. Okay. And continued the number of typographical errors for each sample. Okay. Differently sized sets of pages were sampled. So differently sized sets of pages. So every time the samples vary. Okay. So we go for a U chart. We go for a U chart. Okay, when the sample size is varying, we go for a U chart. So in the Excel sheet calculator, you have a U and C chart. The same example is there. So in that, you just copy these examples. You copy these examples and paste it in the mini tab in column C4, C5, then C7, C8. Please paste it in C7 and C8. C7 and C8. So we are going to deal with U chart. Okay. That is.
Sir, the 7 and 8 alone again paste it, sir, from the beginning.
You want me to paste it again?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have you opened this particular worksheet U and C? Please
Yes,
open
sir.
this. Yes, then copy this. Copy these two columns. Okay. Copy these two columns. Like this. Then open the menu tab. Then click on C7 and paste it. I will paste it. No problem. And paste it. Have you done this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this U chart helps you to track the average of defects per unit. So remember, U chart and C chart is for tracking the average defects per unit. Okay. Unlike the P chart and P chart, it counts the defects, not the defective items. So one item can have multiple defects. So that is what you have to remember. In the case of defectives, one defective means one defective. But in the case of C chart and U chart means one item, one product, one service may have multiple defects. Okay. So now let us click on statistics, control charts, attribute charts, and in that you have C chart. Please click on that. Now, what is the variable? The variable is a typographic error, typo, C8. Please click on that. Okay, typos. What is the subgroup size? The number of pages is the subgroup size. Number of pages, C7. Double click on C7. Are you able to get the selections like this? Variable is a typographical error and the subgroup is the number of pages.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, now click on OK. So since the sample size is varying, the limit also seems to vary. Okay, but the lower control limit seems to be 0. Because you cannot go beyond 0 defects, right? So it is not 0.
Sir, I got it. Attributes by going control chart, attribute chart, next P chart. Oh, this is U chart diagnosis or U, sir?
As control charts, see the screen, please see the screen. Attribute charts, U chart.
U chart.
Okay. Yes, U chart.
U chart diagnostic, that one.
No. Just below that you have U chart.
Below that, okay.
Simple U,
then
not U chart
C1,
diagnosis.
yes, sir. Then C1 page and C2 types. Shall we click both? Okay.
No, you have to choose the page typographical error. In the variables, you please see the screen. The variables, you have to choose the typographic. In the subgroups, variable, double click on the typos.
Double click variable.
Then in the subgroup size, click on the subgroup size box. Then click on the number.
Yes. Then
Got it
C1.
like this? Not C1. I think it will be in column C7 and C8. It is in C1 and C12 for you?
Yes, got it. C1 pages and C2 types. Okay.
Okay. Then in the variable, you may be choosing C2. In the subgroup size, you may be choosing C1. Now click on OK. Got it? Yes, now. So here also you can see some of the sample seems to be having more defects on particular frequency. That is on frequency 6 and frequency 18. The sample seems to fluctuate above the upper control limit. Okay, so the non-conformities on that particular day is more. So please check whether it is random, but it seems to occur every 5 after a particular frequency, after a particular interval. So there might be a problem in the process. So it is an indication there might be some abnormal causes that is growing, that is developing in the process. So as a Beltian, as a Six Sigma expert, you have to check out the reason for this fluctuation. If it is a human error or some kind of data error which is identified, which is known, then you rectify it, implement some corrective actions or poke-case, and you can bring it back to normal. But if it is not known, then obviously you have to launch a Six Sigma project to identify the cause and rectify it with some kind of solution before it explodes into a larger one. Okay, guys. In the meantime, we will go for this C chart. What is C chart purpose? The C chart is for, here you can see it is for defects with fixed samples. Defects with fixed samples. Okay, so we will choose the defects with fixed samples. Okay, here you can see. So in a particular process, Okay, in a particular here, there is an example. In a process excellence team in a bank inspection bank, they are inspecting the transactions. There are 7 opportunities for error in each transaction. 100 transactions are inspected every day. A number of errors are recorded. Okay, so we are going to check whether the process is in control or not. So every day they are making fixed samples for inspection. 100 transaction is selected every day for inspection. So in the Sigma level calculator sheet, you go and choose this number of invoices and number of defects observed. This is varying. Oh, sorry. This is not the example I have. I have a different example. Sorry, the guys, this one is better because we are going for defects with the equal number of samples every day, right? Same number of samples. So you have to choose this example. Okay, the wallpaper manufacturer, he want to assess the stability of its printing process. The samples of 100 feet are taken from 25 wallpaper rolls. Okay, so the number of the sample size is 100 feet every time. It is fixed. Okay, and we are taking 25 rolls and we are trying to check out this type of errors, print smash, pattern distortions, missing ink, and other things. So whether this printing process is in control or not. So here we have this samples data. Okay, in the C chart and U chart, you have the sample data. Please copy it. Guys, are you able to follow me? Are seeing the screen, observing the screen?
Yes, sir.
Please paste it on C10 and C11 so that it will be easy for. So we are dealing with C chart, guys. C chart is for defect with fixed samples. Okay. Now again, you click on statistics. You can try it out. Control charts, attribute charts, C chart. In that, you have only one data. Variable is a wallpaper defect. No sample size is available for entry. So now no sample size is available for entry. C11, just click on C11 in the variables section and click on OK. So it is used to monitor the number of non-conformatives in the product process when the sample which you are choosing is constant every time. Okay.
So still here, what was the? I mean, even though it is a fixed sample, that data should be taken as an input, right? Like now we have only defects are taken as input.
See, actually, the sample size, when it comes to the calculation of the data, just a moment. We'll try to get the background calculations for you. C chart, right? U chart.
C chart, sir.
Just a moment. Actually, you are asking there is no input for sample size, right?
Yes.
Yeah, actually here the sample size is constant, whatever it is. So we are just focusing on the defects alone. We are not focusing on the sample size. But obviously, while calculating the upper and lower control limits, the sample size is taken into account and it is running on the background. Okay, but we are not in Minitab. We don't have the option to give an input, but it is taken from the sample size which we have pasted. Got it?
But where it is taking input in Minitab, so like
so actually we are
that
pasting
upper
the
control line, lower control line.
See, actually we are pasting the data, right? We have pasted this data. We have pasted the sample size here, right? Both this data is pasted, right? And this data is taken for calculation, and based on that only Okay. Based on that only, we are able to generate that particular chart.
Sir, either if we can remove the C10 column for the sample 100 feet.
It is still generating, huh?
It is still generating either if we can check or not, if it is possible. Sorry for that.
Okay, we'll try.
Okay. Okay.
But we are selecting only that column, no? So that the other one is immaterial.
That is okay. Without it, it is calculating. So it is calculating that upper and lower control limit based on the defect itself. It is calculating. Okay. So it is not explicitly included. The number of defects already reflects a fixed inspection unit. The number of defect reflects a fixed inspection unit. RK sir, are you there?
It is not
Sir,
required.
here C stands for control chart.
C stands for constant number of defects, constant number of samples.
Okay, U stands for in case of U chart.
So U stands for defects per unit. Defects per unit. U means defects per unit. C stands for constant samples.
And U stands for defect for units.
Yes.
Sir, is there any Minitab user manual like that?
User manual.
Any book available to use, how to use Minitab?
Data, see, very simple, yeah. You are collecting data. See, you are just going to use for your process. What kind of sampling you are using? Whether you are collecting constant samples, whether you are dealing with
That I
non-conformities or
understood.
rejections.
That I understood, sir. But just as a general information, is
Yes,
there any?
lots of many books are available. Many books are available. Just a moment. Mostly.
Sir, should we purchase Minitab software? Is it required?
Sir, out of record, you can actually use a cracked file into that.
You want to use? You want to?
I'm asking, sir, Minitab software need to purchase or because free software, okay, as a study purpose?
Actually, you can download free softwares, but currently it is highly difficult to install free softwares here. See, actually, I have a free software, but it was in a old version of OS. I have two laptops. One is having a latest OS. The latest OS allows nothing. Okay, it will share everything with the server. So most of the things which are downloading now will be automatically connected in the server and the cloud. So you cannot bypass the key. But if you are going for Minitab version 2016-17, like what I'm using is 2016-17 like that. So in that case only you can download it and you try something, try some key or something else. So it is very difficult to install.
It's a paid version or free version for permanent use.
Actually, I installed this free version some 3-4 years back. I don't know how I got it. Okay, but now it is not. Now it is not possible. If I uninstall it, that's it. The end of it. I cannot get the free version again.
Sir, the Minitab what we have installed, it cannot be extension another 1 month, or sir?
No, it is not possible. They are not giving it free. Actually, then you have to change the laptop. Then you have to change the laptop or the drive and try it. Yes, Sundar, what is the question?
They are asking that if you changes the mail ID, then you will get additional different account.
But if you change the mail ID and install the same laptop in the same drive, it will find it.
Because I used two different mail ID, so both times I get 15 days free option.
Oh, okay. So there is a book called Understanding the Statistical Process Control, and there is a book for Introduction to Statistical Process. Many books are there. Okay, you can use it. Many books. If you just look for SPC, if you put books for SPC, you can download it from many sites. Yes, Sundar?
Yes, sir. Sir, for example, for U chart, C chart, P chart, NP chart, We are just simply putting our that data in the Minitab and we are getting the response.
Yes.
But if I want to do it manually, is there a particular formulas? I think surely formulas will be there. So I want the formula for finding the. Is there in the PPT you have mentioned every formula so how to calculate it?
So if you want, I can post this PPT later on. I will convert into PDF. I can post it, no problem.
Please, sir.
Okay, I will post it.
If for the U chart, if I have to do it on a daily basis, like every day, like 1st of April, 2nd, 3rd, 4th of April, like that, can I also have that label coming in the U chart?
Yes, you can add the legends. If you go inside, you will find ways to add the legends and all. Depending upon the version of Minitab you are choosing, you can add anything. That is secondary only. That is not a major concern here. You can add it. You can insert the legends. Right? We are not doing it. So, but definitely there will be a way to do it. If you want it, you can have a separate section during this Thursday. So we will have it. So I will share this PDF on this thing on this files, and which is having the formulas.
This is not in that course material you shared level 1, level 2, level 3.
Yeah, actually, I pulled this because some of the participants are regularly asking. So I added all the formulas. People doesn't know how this charts are generated, but every chart is having its own calculation. Now I have posted this PDF on this group, so you can download it and you can see how this formula is running on the background, how X bar is calculated, how this upper and lower control limits are calculated. It's not a great rocket science, or it is not confidential. It is just available everywhere. Anyway, I like to share it with you.
One more doubt, sir. In the defectives, you are pasting so many columns, no, sir. But in our Sigma calculator, these many columns are not available.
Defectives.
Maybe my version is the old version. You are pasting again and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But
Which one?
Sir, வந்துடுறேன் சார்
Sir, please join. உள்ள வந்துட்டீங்களா? Okay.
இன்னும் 5 minutes வந்துடுறேன்.
என்ன முத்துக்குமார் கேக்குறீங்க? What you are asking?
இல்ல நான் இல்ல, somebody was asking.
Somebody asked a question, right?
yes, sir. I need to pray others.
சொல்லுங்க.
Actually, when we try to paste those columns, we couldn't find all those columns. In my Sigma calculator, only few columns are available. But
actually,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Actually, we have many charts. We have been doing this for many years, right? So we have added many examples. But if I give all this, it will be confusing for you. I have shared the same Excel sheet with you also. So you can try it out. But it will be more confusing, right? New people are doing it first time. So when you see a lot of columns, which is different, okay, it is not relevant to you also. So there are many irrelevant columns to you.
Yes.
Okay. They have given what is more relevant to you. Okay. Don't worry about the data. Yeah. Your understanding and thinking which you develop about this topic is important. See,
Yes,
you are going to use it for practical purpose in your process. It's well and good. You won't forget it.
For the data, we need to go and collect my money and paste in Minitab.
Anyway, I have sent you this PPT, which have a lot of formulas and other things. You can refer it. RK sir, are you there? That is RK sir. RK sir is ready. Yeah.
Sir, I think we have a break now.
Yes, actually, you need to have a break. And after break, you can meet RK sir. Okay, sir, I will stop the
recording. Now, there must be a small case study. I will share this case study video. You can go through that anytime. And I would like to close it by 6:15. Since I'm going to share this case study, you want me to do the case study now? Tell me. Yes or no?
Yes,
Come
sir.
on, fast. Yes, okay. And subject to the condition that the feedback will be doubly super. Okay? Okay, ma?
Yes.
Like what I will do, I will close this. Yeah. What is this? Yeah. No. Right. What I will do is I will have to I'll stop sharing. Stop sharing. I have to share sound. Okay. Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
I'm going to change it to my drive. Where is this? Oh, nothing comes. Yeah. Nothing comes. Yes. Drive. My drive will go. My drive will go. You've seen there? Why? Yes. Is there a black belt documents? Black belt documents. Is there a case study? Yes. This link also I will share. Share. Copy link. Okay. Now I'm going to play this. You can see this. Are you able to see this?
We will see a case study. Performance improvement by reducing attrition
Can you
rate.
hear the sound?
What is the problem here? You can see from the
Say
chart.
yes or no. Hello?
Yes, sir. The video is.
Hello?
I can see it, and it is also the audio is also clear.
Attrition rate is the problem. You can see in January, February, and March, the attrition rate.
Attrition.
We can see the video, and the audio is also clear.
Then okay.
It's gone up by more than 6%. So from the prevailing 6% to 7.5%, it has gone up to 13.5 to 12.5%. This has to be addressed to immediately. Otherwise, what will be the consequences? We will see. The problem is high attrition rate observed. The consequences are unable to meet production demand because we don't have persons to make the production. Training to new recruits result in extra resources utilization, that is time, manpower, efforts, and training cost also. So increase in non-conformities from production process because of the inexperienced employees, we are not able to meet the specifications while producing. Reduced production rate because of the inexperienced employees, slow working time. And project benefits are, if you do this, we are going to save rupees 20 lakhs in training cost and production cost. We are going to save on the training cost, we are going to improve the production, and thereby cost will be saved. Now we are ready to make project charter. We will see project charter now. Identification, that is project champion, project name, project number, and black belt involved, department, and date initiated, and target completion date, all given here. Next is origin and description. Location of the plant is Chennai. Process is recruitment and training process. Improvement opportunity problem description is high attrition of operators, that is 12% at present, occurs at Chennai plant since the inception of second shift from January 19 onwards. It causes lower productivity, higher training cost. Purpose of the project is to identify and improve the key factors contributing to this operator attrition. Project goal, that is success criteria, to minimize the attrition rate from 12% to 6%. Project scope, starting from the collection of resume till the end of the process, that is retention of right candidate, appointment and retention. And impact on internal and external customers given here. Training cost is high for HR department, human resource department, and productivity loss and high defects for production. Business case, strategic alignment, we will see here. This project ensures reduction in attrition rate for financial year 2019-20. By retaining trained manpower, organization expects increased productivity and better quality and thereby customer satisfaction in the upcoming years. Business will definitely be interested in this. There is a business case here. Projected business benefits, financial and otherwise, we will see here. Cost of associate replacement and training is 19 lakhs annually. And reduce retaining hours. Reduce potential for product non-conformities. So more good products will be produced. And performance metrics, there are two metrics given here. One is primary and another is secondary. Primary is attrition rate. Unit of measure is percentage. Baseline performance is 12.4%, that is current performance. And our goal is to reduce it to below 6%. Secondary metric is productivity. Unit of measure is percentage. Baseline performance, current performance is 65%. We have to increase it to 80% and above. And contributors, the names of the team members is given here, and milestones are given here in the schedule. And finally, project approval for signatures. Once it is signed, we are ready to go ahead with the project planning. Now we will see SIPOC. The processes are mentioned first, and for each process we will see what is the output and customer and what is the input and supplier. You can see here management is the customer ultimately, the candidate selected is the output, and then appointed candidate. You will have defect-free products for the end user, that is the output, final output, because of the retention of the right candidate. You can do it yourself. Now this is the data collections. So name, date of birth, date of joining, date of resigning, product line he was involved, and services length, what is his service length, how long he has been working, distance from the plant, where is his house, age in years, education, what is his qualifications, is he working in shifts, yes or no, test score, at the time of recruitment he must have attended a test and we will know whether he has performed well or not, and then domicile status, whether he is married or not, and then work status, he is working or resigned. So these data we will have to get it from the HR department. Once we get this data, then we can start doing it. And this is the data collected. That's only a sample data, it will go to pages. Now this is the baseline performance for the output. So output is 650, product output considered. Opportunity for error is 8, and then defects noticed is 46, and performance is 3.87. This is a present performance. We have to increase it. Now this is a baseline performance, CPK measurement. You can see this report here. We'll see one more report. CPK is 0.46. It is low, we'll have to address it too. What is that we will do? The CPK shows test score is low and we need more focus on training. That's here, you have to give more training. And then here summary service length. See, we find p-value is again low. So data is not normal. Therefore outliers are available for median, which needs to be addressed to. Therefore we must have service length constant there at the center towards median. So we have to address this also. This is what age is another factor. Now this is a cause and effect diagram. Operator attrition is a problem, and then work strain, distance from plant, and then further education, health, marital status, future opportunity, better opportunity is there, he will leave, and domicile status, whether he is living with parents or not, qualification, age, test score, and then product line in which he is working. If he is working with a difficult product line, probably he may be leaving. We'll have to find out product line plays a part or not. And shift working, whether he is working in shifts, is that a problem for his leaving? We'll have to see this. All these causes are identified, and then cause and effect matrix was obtained. That is, experts will be asked to provide marks for this, and X factors are prioritized from the output indicator having a score of 45 for the output response. So this is what the scale given. So none means 0 marks, low impact means 3 marks, moderate impact means 5 marks, strong impact means 9 marks. And these are all the factors we have considered. Total 12 factors we have considered, and then the impact is given here. And the number of people who have voted for this is given here. 9 people have voted for this. So 9 into 5, moderate they have said. So 9 into 5 is 45. So 3 people have voted for low impact product line. So 15 is the output indicators. So we have selected all those having scored 45. We have found out that shift working, distance from the plant, test score, age, and then here one more factor, domicile status. These are all the important factors we have considered. The rest we have not considered. Now we will do the hypothesis testing for these factors with output indicator 45. Shift working, distance, test score, age, and domicile status. These are all the factors for which we are going to do the hypothesis testing. 2 sample tests for age, test scores, and distance, and 2 proportion tests for working in shifts and staying with parents. Here, the mean age for available people and the mean age for the resigned people are same. And here, the test scores for available people and test scores for resigned people are same. Here, distance from the plant is same for both available people and resigned people. And alternate hypothesis is age is a cause for attrition for age, and people with high scores tend to leave is for test scores, and long distance from plant is a cause for attrition. For 2 proportion tests, we have yes or no answer for working in shifts and yes or no answer for staying with parents. And the null hypothesis is proportion of people working in shifts is equal to proportion of people not working in shifts in both available as well as resigned state. And staying with parents, proportion of people with parents is equal to proportion of people without parents for both available as well as for resigned status. So domicile status is a cause for attrition is a alternate hypothesis. People working in shifts tend to leave is the alternate hypothesis here. We will find out the test scores and test decisions. Hypothesis test decisions for X factors. From the cause and effect matrix, we have considered 12 X factors, and for the shift working, the p-value is 0.006. Therefore, shift working is significant. P-value is low, therefore it is significant. For product line work strain, we have not done the test because we have not selected them for test from the cause and effect matrix score. For distance, the p-value happens to be lower than 0.05, therefore this is also significant. Distance also is a significant factor. And test score is 0.001 less than 0.05, therefore that is also a significant factor, we have to address it. Age is a factor which is not significant because the p-value for age is 0.467 greater than 0.05, therefore we fail to reject the null. It is not significant, we have considered. I will show you the descriptive statistics for age. For resigned, number of people were 30, active number of people were 52, mean age was 21.7 and 21.96, and the p-value from inferential statistics found to be 0.467. Similarly, we can find out the p-value for all the tests. This is a simple exercise. You can do it yourself. And qualification, further education, health, marital status, and other opportunities are not considered for test based on this cause and effect matrix score. And domicile status, we have considered the hypothesis test. P-value happens to be more than 0.05. Therefore, we fail to reject the null. Domicile status is not a significant factor. Right? So, p-value is less than 0.05 indicates statistically significant process influence, and that is what we have obtained for these 3 factors. Therefore, we will address these 3 factors as a solution for implementation. Age and domicile status we have not considered because they are not significant from the hypothesis test results. Now, the same thing I have given it with p-value. These are all the 3 factors considered. Age is not considered. Staying with parents also is not considered. We will see the improvements that we have made. The candidate personal information form, we have added a criteria distance from home. This is one improvement we have made. And in distance, specific focus by adding the question in candidate personal information form. That is what I have shown you, right? The distance from the plant radius. What is the distance? If it is more than 25 kilometers, then we will have to consider him, see whether he is willing to stay in the hostel or not. Control and select candidates from within 25 kilometers of the plant radius. So that is what is achieved by this. Introduce hostel accommodation for those who stay far off. If the candidate has scored high marks and then we are interested in the candidate, and then we can ask a question whether he is willing to stay in the hostel, we can recruit them. And manpower to do extra hours is now available because we have had those people in hostel, and that will fulfill additional requirements from customers. Now, working in shifts, what have we done? Must be requirement because we can't avoid this. The customer demand requires extra shifts. Therefore, we have to go for extra shifts that cannot be eliminated. So, shift allowance is introduced to those who work in shifts, those working apart from the general shifts. If you work in general shift, also work in night shifts, then you will be given extra allowances here. That is to influence them. And early morning pickup and late night drop provided to save movement time for the employees, so that they will not find a strain at home. This will also improve the productivity. Next, we will see test score. How are we addressing? Those scoring higher marks and ready to serve for longer periods will be empowered with higher roles like leaders, trainers, and like this. And also we will conduct first day celebrations and gifts distribution to those without absenteeism. Those who are coming every day and work, no absent. And those with high production record. Right? We can have a production record for each individual and then see the record and then reward those people with high production record. And in that period, if there are zero defects at customer end, then inspectors online who pass zero defects at customer end will be rewarded, will be given gifts. And after rate improvement, we will control. That is, control is we are measuring, and after improvement, we find that the attrition rate in the month of July and August have come down to 5.4 to 5.2, and therefore attrition rate has been addressed to and reduced to the extent committed. Now we will see the financial and other savings for the company. Cost of operator replacement we have saved, training cost we have saved, reduction in production of non-conformities there, therefore we are saving lot there, no wastage. So reduction in scrap generated because of no non-conformities. These are all the financial and other savings that we have obtained for the company. That completes the case study. In summary, we have made a project charter for reducing attrition rate and improving the performance in the define phase. In the measure phase, we modified the metric for performance and measured the baseline performance in sigma level and attrition rate as per the bar chart. In the analyze phase, identified potential factors using cause and effect diagram and then cause and effect matrix and then validated the critical factors. In improve phase, we identified the potential solutions and pilot implemented the solutions. That is, in selection process, considering the distance from the plant, the personal form, by providing quarters or hostel accommodations for right candidates, to start with higher ranks and responsibilities for potential candidates scoring high test marks, to have special celebrations rewarding for attendance, achievements and performance. And in the control phase, we have documented the performance achieved. The attrition rate maintained at the lower level of around 5 to 6%. That completes the project. Thank you.
I think I have shared it. No, I have not shared it. I will share this. No, I have the chat box, right? So you can copy this and then open it anytime later on. Okay, sir? Now, I can close my camera and then listen to you all, right? Shall we start the feedback? One by one, all of you, please come on the camera and center yourself and then boldly speak. Any language you can speak, Hindi, English, Tamil, Marathi, Spanish, any language you are comfortable with, you can speak. And positive.
Sir, my name is Gobinath, sir. Actually, Tamil is comfortable. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, I am working in a private company as a quality manager.
That's Tamil.
Mixed with English, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Show your face, yeah. That is better, no? Show it because it is recorded. It will be passed on to MSME. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. Can you see? Yeah. Actually, I am working in a private company, sir, as a quality manager. Very long ago, actually, one company actually training கொடுத்தாங்க green belt ஒரு training கொடுத்தாங்க and அந்த green belt நான் ஒரு training கொடுத்த அந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் சப்மிஷன் பண்ணேன். பட் அந்த டைம்ல வந்து எனக்கு வந்து லிமிடேஷனோட கொடுத்துருந்தாங்க. ஒரு ஃபார்மேட்டை கொடுத்தாங்க. பேஸ் ஆன் த ஃபார்மேட்டை நான் வந்து கிரியேட் பண்ணி ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்டா சப்மிட் பண்ணேன். இது வந்து கஸ்டமர் அதை அக்செப்ட் பண்ணாங்க. பட் என்ன மீனிங்ன்றது ஃபுல் மீனிங் தெரியாம இருந்தது. பட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் மூலியமா எனக்கு இந்த ஒரு டீடைல் தெரிய வந்தது, விஷன் எக்ஸலன்சி. பட் இதுல வந்துட்டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நான் கிரீன் பெல்ட் முடிச்சேன் சார். ஒரு ப்ரீவியஸ் போன மந்த் முடிச்சேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் அப்படியே கண்டினியூவா பிளாக் பெல்ட் அப்படியே கண்டினியூ பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ரொம்ப லாட் ஆஃப் லேர்னிங் சார் அபவுட் 6 month பெல்ட். என்ன கான்செப்ட் அப்படிங்கிறது டீடைல்டா தெரிய வந்தது. இப்போ நாங்க பண்ற ஒர்க்கு அதை வந்து எதை பேஸ் பண்ணி ஆரம்பத்துல ஜெனரலா சிபிசிடிக்கு அதெல்லாம் ஓரளவுக்கு என்னன்றது தெரியும். பட் இதுதான் ரீசன், இதோட பேஸ் இதான், ஆரிஜின் இதான் அப்படிங்கிறது இன்டெப்தா ரொம்ப வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல் டு அஸ் சார். லேட்டஸ்டா ஒரு இதை பேஸ் பண்ணி ஒரு ஸ்டடி பண்ணோம் சார். ஸ்டடி பண்ணி மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்டுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்டடி இப்போ ரீசெண்டா போன வாரம் நாங்க சப்மிட் பண்ணோம் ஒரு மிஷின் ஸ்டடி. அது கியர் டெஸ்ட், கியர் மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் மிஷினுக்கு அது ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்தது. ஆக்சுவலா ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட்ல ஒரு சிங்கிள் கேரக்டருக்கு ஒரு ஸ்டடி, ஒரு 30 நம்பர் ஸ்டடி எடுத்துட்டு அதுல என்ன அவுட்கம்ன்றத பார்த்தோம். அது எங்களுக்கு மெஷின் பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் பார்க்கறதுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்தது. இது ரீசெண்டா அப்சர்வ் பண்ணது. ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் சார், ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருந்தது. பட் இமிடியேட்டா இதை வந்து அப்ளிகபிள் பண்றதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்றோம் சார். ஏன்னா நிறைய எங்கள்கிட்ட வந்து ரிஜெக்ஷன்ஸ் இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய இருக்கு ப்ராசஸ்ல. பேஸ்ட் ஆன் த 6 Sigma அப்ரோச்ல இதை பண்றதுக்கு எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப வெரி ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும் சார். ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் சார்.
தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். இந்த வாரம் எக்ஸாம் இருக்குப்பா. இந்த வாரம் சாட்டர்டே இருக்கும். சாட்டர்டே சண்டே யூ வில் பி கிவன் டைம். One full day you can take your own free time and then apply and write the exam. All the best, right? Okay, exam good. Thank you. Next. Sir, all of you, please come on camera, ma. Naveen, Avijit, why? Only half an hour more. You can come. Yeah. Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, team.
Center, sir. Center. Your forehead is cut.
One second.
Yeah. Very good. Yeah.
Now it's okay. Okay, yeah. Vision Excellence and MSME team has given us an opportunity to upskill ourselves by learning 6 Sigma classes. And this master belt classes helped me out to understand what is the master belts from yellow belt to green belt and all till black belt. And all the faculties like RK sir, Ravi sir, Gopal sir taught us very well, explain us in an understanding way, give a hands-on experience on Minitab and Excels, especially the Excel formats what the Ravi sir has, RK sir have. Great bank of data bank for all the techniques, and this all skills and datas and all the learnings I've got over here helped me to implement and upskill myself and make my organization a growth to a next level. Thank you, Vigan Experience team and MSME.
Thank you very much. It's going to be not only helpful in your organization, more than organization, it is going to help you in your personal life because you have the positive side of all the tools and techniques. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next. Muthukumar, where are you?
Sir, this is Manikandan Ishwaran.
Manikandan, let Manikandan speak. Muthukumar next.
Yeah. Thank you. So actually, my thought is originally I started with the green belt, and then I have gone through the 4 days classroom session in our MSME building, and then there I have chance to meet Mr. Ravi sir, Gopal sir, and everyone. And then of course I'm not able to meet you directly, sir. Okay, sir. Of course, you are a good and inspired persons. All the trainers, and everyone. And then you all are teaching us very explicitly regarding the tools usage, and then the Six Sigma, the correct methodology to apply, and then where to use and what to think, and relatively seeking the problem solving skill. We have improved a lot through these sessions with all of your guidance and all of your uh, inspiring the class sessions and everyone. And thanks for that, really. And then I will also recommend these two everybody, to my friends as well. Sorry, I'm not able to speak frequently because I'm frequently in travel. So currently I'm also there in Europe now. So that's why. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for
Yeah.
your sweet talk, right? And more importantly, you agreed to be a brand ambassador for us, recommending our courses for other people. That is what is wanted. That only is wanted, right? Other than this feedback, get some people so that we Vision Excellence will flourish. Thank you very much, Manikanta.
Sure, sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
Muthukumar.
Thank you so much.
Muthukumar, please open your camera. Muthukumar, yeah. Unmute and speak.
Yeah, I think now you can hear.
Yes.
So, first of all, I would like to thank the entire faculty for having this very nice experience of going through the journey of Black Six Sigma Black Belt training. So, it's a great learning experience because while uh, I have knowledge or expertise or exposure to certain tools, but as a complete set how to use it and in a systematic way so that I am able to clearly follow from this session. And the complex statistical concepts are taken in a very simple way. Mainly the null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis, it's very difficult to understand for certain people, but I think here I am able to understand that in a better way. And yeah, the tools which were used and the way how you gave the practice sessions using the datas like the examples, the datas you gave, and how to use it in the mini tab and get the outputs like the graphs and charts like that. So that's something which is I think I appreciate it more. And the course material, of course, it's a standardized one, and it goes through all the 5 phases of DMAC. And in my assessment, I think I can give a CPK of 2 for this program.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for everything. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah. I just want, please note, Muthukumar, you will not mistake me, if I, what is this fellow, this is telling like that and all. We are all children. We talk like children. We behave like children. We take everything in the right spirit. Okay?
Sure.
Can I say
Sure.
something? Huh?
Yeah, sure.
Now, Muthukumar said one thing, no? Can you hear me? Right? I thought that it is all just a normal sentence only. But I experienced, no? I was told, no? My boss was telling, no? What is that? Yeah, you are saying that. Can you hear me? Are they deaf? No. You're not supposed to ask like that. You're supposed to say, am I audible? That means mistake is on my side. Am I raising my voice to the extent that you can hear me? See the perception. Understood? Very careful we have to be in public speaking and things like that. We don't mind at all here. You say anything, RK, you are a fool. You don't know anything. I don't mind. Right? But can you notice that small, subtle differences people can take? That is how the boss looks like that, no? Every small points matter. Okay, Ma? Uthukumar? Don't mistake me. Yeah? See, I think we have to be very careful. Am I making a mistake? Is it okay? A small interrogation, you have to do it for everything. Otherwise, what you speak is perfectly all right. Nothing. Even this is okay. This is okay for 99.9% of the people. But that 0.1% of the people, no, if you come to the top echelon, no, then they will consider these small things otherwise. Thank you very much, Muthukumar. Next gentleman, please. Yes, Mohammed. Yeah. Anybody else? Yeah. 1 second. Sangeeta Priya, please come. 1 second, Mohammed. Wait, Sangeeta Priya, please come. No.
Sir, good evening.
Very difficult to get ladies on the camera.
Good evening,
yes.
sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Yes,
I
good
was
evening.
happy to be there in your class, sir. And actually, I would like to see you in person there, but we couldn't meet you. And there was really a lot of experience. Actually, I am from arts background, so really step by step, I have learned many things. And on time, no, like first day you told me to come on time. So from the next day, before 3 minutes, I used to come to your class. And all the statistical data, and all these things. Actually, they really help me. Even when people are doing PhD, I would recommend them to know this. Because without even knowing anything, people are doing that. But when they know this and when they do know, like, it will be of great help to them. Thanks a lot, sir. Please conduct such session, and if possible, exclusively for statistics, you take a class. I would love to make people to join there, and I too will join there, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very
Yes,
much.
sir. Thank
I don't know whether I can
Thank you.
speak like this. Now, if I speak now, GSK will be angry. But anyway, still you were talking about statistics. I am fanatic about statistics. I have a website for statistics. You can learn everything from statistics. Personally, also, you can not, you can also fix up an appointment 1 hour, 2 hours. I will conduct a class for you,
Yes,
thorough on statistics, all parts of statistics. Right? That
yes,
is
sir.
possible. You can
Thanks a
have
lot,
my
sir. Thank
mobile
you, sir.
number for all these things, right?
Yes, please,
You
sir.
can see
Please.
my website
Thank you, sir.
also for
Thank you.
statistics, all the statistics.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much,
And
sir. Thank
you were
you.
saying about PhD people and all. It's very, very important that the PhD starting point is hypothesis testing. In any PhD, what you do, this is going to impact, this is what is the level I am fixing to get this much. Yes or no?
Yes.
I
Yes,
expect
sir.
the X factors to be this much so that I get my response will be what I desire, right?
Yes,
That
sir.
means the X factor should have an impact on the Y response. That is what we are deciding on the hypothesis testing. Is it really impacting the output? Only if it is really significantly impacting the output, we can go ahead and conduct the PhD work on this. Yes or no? So
Yes,
the
sir.
first
Definitely.
step in
Yes,
many
sir.
PhD is only hypothesis testing. Thank you very much for bringing me this point out to tell all of this. Thank you, sir. My namesake
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Ramakrishnan.
sir.
Please open
Thank you,
your
sir.
camera. Yes, Ramakrishnan.
Hello, sir. Very good evening, sir. Good evening to all. I would express my sincere apologies for today's session, sir. Sorry, I cannot continue in my regular duty here. But anyhow, meanwhile, I am listened to all your three lecturers, sir. Really, this last 12 days, what I learned from Lean Six Sigma, green belt, as well as black belt, all this subject, it's a wonderful, sir. It's a trust. My stress buster during this blockade, I am in Gulf country. The first 3 weeks, really worried about how we move further forward. But all your concept, what I learned from this session, really giving relief to change my mind. Maybe we lose my job, everything. Now I got a confident, definitely becoming a black belt. I can survive anywhere to apply this scenario anywhere in the world. I can survive. Really helpful, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. You said you were disappointed that you could not attend. I am also
Sorry,
sometimes
sir.
get disappointed if some people don't come because I may feel happy also, but I should not say here, no. Just now I was giving advice to that gentleman there, Muthukumar.
Okay,
So
sir.
I should also tell positively. If some
Okay.
people don't come,
Yes.
I am also disappointed because a lot of good questions will be missing. I'll be missing, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Now
If some people,
timing also
yeah, yes,
problem,
yes.
sir, here. Yeah, my
You are,
timing here, working hours, sir.
no
Now
problem.
3 o'clock
No
only.
problem.
Now only 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. So
Yeah.
morning, very busy meeting schedule. Not attended fully today.
No, the interest is there. See, I tell you one thing. You know
Yes, sir.
about our brain. Our brain is a fantastic machine, right? You say that time. That is what. No, I was going to the hospital and then they were telling that cancer. My wife is having cancer, and then the problem. 3 years medicine is there. Now they gone to chemo and all. You know what he was telling that the cell that is creating, no, is also your own cell. That cell also wants to survive. Right. So similarly, our all parts of our body work. Our brain also wants to work and wants to learn. No? Even if you are not able to attend, if you don't attend the class and all, your brain will always be on this. There will be some, I don't know how to express that. If there is a point to catch, it will catch and get it to your brain. Right.
Yeah,
That is the beauty of it. I do not know how to express that. Only you have to experience. Sometimes, no, I get the answers just like that. No, a bell will ring in my brain and I'll get the answer. Many times, you'll see that examination paper, suddenly you'll get the answer.
Every day listening that video lesson through driving, more than 2 hours driving, sir. Every day.
Yes,
so
very
fully
good.
I am listening through like a radio, instead of radio, I am listening. Then once reach my room, I again reviewing. Okay, I am doing good or not. Such a this.
Don't listen too much, then you will find all my mistakes. That there is a more chance for finding the mistake. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Ramakrishnan. Next, please. Sundar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. Actually, I'm so happy that it's the last date. I need more classes, but it's the last date. I don't know. I'm so sad about that. But I really say that I started with you doing my green belt, and also I'm doing my black belt with you. I really say that it's a very good information that you have given me, and also actually I'm doing my masters in France. You know that, and also in the work that I'm doing, my manager doesn't know he doesn't know English also, and I don't know how he given me the project, and I doesn't know how to start it, and I don't have any idea about that. That's why I started this program. From this thing, from the green belt, I understand how the things like how we need to go through the problems, how I want to implement the things. But with the green belt, I understand how to implement it with the graphs and everything. Really, it helped me a lot to proceed my project without any problem. And thanks a lot for every professors who have teached us, and they are like very polite and also very energetic. They are explaining every doubts we have, and they are explaining in a very good way to understand the things very quickly. uh, Thanks a lot, sir. It's really helped me. I improved a lot, and how to, if they are giving whatever the problems, I can solve this with Six Sigma thing. So that's a good idea that I have. So it's a very good tool actually, so that I can implement in whatever the project that I'm gonna take. I'm gonna take it. So no worries in that. Thanks.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. You were saying one thing, no, it is not a problem at all. Language is not a problem at all if you are working anywhere, no? Because, see, I have been working with French people also. Everything is so simplified, no? You don't have to learn the knowledge. All you need to do is the jargons in that particular system. Manufacturing systems, if there are codes there, if there are ISI codes are there, though you should know. If you have that corresponding code from French codes, you must know the things. And even inspection reports, any documentation, all you need to do is use a checkbox. That's all. There will be a checkbox. If you tick that, that means that is okay. If it is put an into mark, that means that is not okay. That's all. All the reports, all the documentations can be done just if you know how to use the symbols properly. Just
okay. And also I have another question.
Yes,
for
sir.
example, if I have any doubt in my project, I'm started my project. Is possible to get a personal assistant or some help from your people?
Yes, certainly,
Just a question I have actually.
You see, I don't know anybody is having my website. No, you can come to my website. You can contact me. Get my phone number from what do you call Vision Excellence. You can contact me, right? Always. Right?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Or some of the participants may be knowing my number. You can contact me, right? No problem.
Thanks.
Once you get to know, once you get me, then you can get everything done, right? And I'm available in the Google also, yeah. You put Ramakrishnan Vaidyanathan. See my face, huh? There'll be so many other faces. Right. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next. Yes.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Yes, Avijit Khan. Sir, come to the center, sir. Your face is... yeah. Yes. Okay. No. You come to the center. Just bring your monitor close. Yeah, yes. That's all.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Very good evening.
Thank you for all the teachers giving a very excellent teaching to us. Actually, if I tell myself, I have a 27 years experience, but most of the time I work in the field. I was the zonal service head of Yamaha company, and most of the times I spend in automobile industry only and service industry. So recently I transformed from field job to head office job. And now I thought this is the time to enhance my knowledge. Earlier I never tried for it since long time. So that is the reasons I thought this is a platform. If I starting in like in Six Sigma, I heard from some my colleagues it is very effective tools. So that is the reasons I come here to join this program. This is the background. But initially, when I started to attend the program, 1-2 weeks, it is okay. And then later, the terminology, the discussion, what we had. So it is totally related to production. Most of the things, it is production related and quality related, which is very difficult for me to understand. And sometimes I also feel bored. But good thing is that when I heard this video at the end of the sessions, and whenever I get that time, frequently I listening this audio and then try to understand actually what is the message is giving by you and all the teachers. Then I slowly cop up the situation, and then I started to implement same things in my current what we am doing. I'm working in the CRM, like in customer satisfaction department, and the head of here. So here I'm trying to implement it. Started one to project one times also I shown you, and another things also I also made ready. So utilize one by one tools which I have learned, and based on that, when I implemented, then confidence is coming automatically from my heart. So I now confident that if any project come, how to define and then measure analysis, measure the step by step process, and then conclude like use from the study, a case study, how to identify the actual problem and based on that problem to resolve. So that kind of mind now it is a changes after attending this program. So that means that my mind is developed to analysis, thinking the how to things, how to analyze, how to identify the problem, and based on that use. Now it doesn't matter which tools I am using, because tools there may be multiple tools, but it depends upon my experience and which is required, particularly that area that is more important. That thing is very much clear after attending all this program. And thanks to very much to all teachers, beautifully program and supported to us, and based on that now now it's a time how to improve my next level of as a consultant career. So that is I'm planning. So I think this training definitely will help me after 1-2 years. I can plan for consulting job and support to others and juniors and even other companies. So that is the reason. So overall program is nice, and thank you very much for all teachers and good program. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for reminding me my experience today. Again, only today experience. Tender coconut I was purchasing today for my wife, and another customer was there. He was wanting it in a parcel. I take a vessel. He was not having any vessel, but that bags were in a plastic cover. He was using that sickle to cut that nicely, because you can cut it even with the hand also. I will bite and open it normally, because I don't need the cover. He wants to keep the cover always because it contains about 100 bags, the plastic bags. I don't know why sickle is being used. We don't use sickle for this thing, that Ariwad. I don't know. What is am I using the correct name? No, that is a communist symbol. No, that is what is that sickle, right? Mohammed,
Yes,
you
sir.
tell me, what is the sickle is correct? No.
Yeah, you can use
Yeah,
sickle.
sickle. That he was using, any tool that you have, but it's very sharp sickle, and then he was just cutting it beautifully, cut to shape thing. So then only I realized, I always have a blade in my purse for cutting such things, right? But he is just using his regular tool for anything like that, no? But if I jokingly comment on this, he may use the sickle to cut my neck also, right? Then I realized, so many applications are there, so we have to be careful with what tool, with whom, right? Therefore, very much we have to be very careful with your and you being a head, you can experiment with the brainstorming, nominal group technique, and then zigzag thinking. It will be a nice experience, Your team members also will move with you, gel with you very happily, because it's a learning point from them. It is a new experience from them. It is a group technique. Always people like group technique. If all of us are talking, we enjoy. If I alone keep on talking, none of you will enjoy. I'm confident in that. Right? I will not ask you, is it so? Yes, it is so. Thank you very much. Next gentleman,
Actually,
please.
I work in pan India, entire state. So there is
Yeah.
no places available everywhere I work. So it's a a good experience. Now this study is also added something new things with added with my feathers
Very good, very good.
So
Very good.
that is very good thing.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you very much, sir. See? Yeah, next gentleman, please. Vinay Shinde. Mohammed, I'll come to you. I'll come to you next. Right? Okay.
Yeah. So thanks a lot, Vision Excellence, first of all, giving us good educational sessions. I have been actively, part of Udemy. So if I want to compare Udemy with the Visual Excellence sessions, they are definitely at a much, a very better par, I can say, because here we can connect with the teachers, ask the doubts, and when it's live, it's understand well basically, and so it was really fantastic. And as what I have learned, I have already implemented a couple of things because I am the operations manager for one of the company, and it has already cleared so many notions like this lean is only for the automotive industry because we have a setup where we manufacture a custom based products like from sheet metal and all basically. So that has also cleared air, and definitely what I have learned, there is a board in my cabin basically. So I try to put this dmac y equals to fx. So the people coming with problems to ask me like, what is this you have put on the board. So it also makes me feel proud to make them understand like these tools are where we can use in our factory and have better results going forward for the business and all. So overall, a fantastic session, sir. Definitely, I have already talking to my director on this, and I am urging my managers to avail this course starting from step by step, maybe green belt, or then gradually progressing to the back belt, because to do any improvement there should be a mindset, and definitely a lean six sigma is a structured way of doing the things, and you guys are providing a good platform, because I was introduced to this course by one of my colleagues basically, and that's the reason I joined this thing, and I do not have any regrets like he pushing me to come to this place. But definitely it was a fantastic, and hats off to you, sir, with so much of experience, and you have a very, very nice sense of humor. At this age, the people are very reluctant to open up, because looking a father figure in front of ourselves, and you making the atmosphere feel very easy basically, and with all the in between jokes and all, what all I can say, it was really fantastic, because that is needed. It cannot be continuous session wherein you are speaking and we are observing. It's definitely mix up of all the things, and it was a wonderful session, sir. I'm really looking to meet you in person, because I stay in Mumbai and my working is in Mumbai. But definitely, if I come over Chennai, we will definitely meet you, sir. Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, all the participants. Thank you very much.
Thanks, sir. Namaskar. Yes, Mohammed. Yeah, thank you very much. I know, because if you keep on responding to every this thing, then I have nothing to respond. You are and you speak about RK only so much, no? And then if I reciprocate, as if I have fixed you, match fixing. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much for that, for praising me a lot. Yes, Mohammed, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. I would like to thank you for this opportunity. And first of all, I mean, I just got to know about this session, this training program to add. I think I've gotten it from LinkedIn, I believe. So everything right from the start, it was very transparent. The people who approached me about this entire training program, they were very helpful. The onboarding, everything happened in a smooth manner, and bingo, I got enrolled into the program. Initially, I was planning for green belt or something, and then I thought let me go with a black belt and let me do this. So I was into service management, service delivery, and stuff, managing operations, and have done a lot of service improvement programs in my organization. So I wanted to have a structured approach and a much matured way of handling it, just like a Lean Six Sigma expert, or someone who has a know-how of how the service improvement plans and multiple other things, elimination of wastages and improvement of quality actually who had gone through the structured learning program wanted to do that. I really wanted to get that kind of knowledge. So it was really informative. The sessions were really intuitive, and the examples that was provided during the sessions, maybe you and for any one of the trainers, was really simple, and it could be even understood by any layman, right? It's all neutral, basic level examples. It can be understood by anyone who had no knowledge of any previous knowledge about these Lean Six Sigma program. It's all very basic level, ground level example, which can be related to various industries, and one can relate and learn very easily. So thank you so much for this wonderful program, and thank you so much for all your as you said, the jokes and things that you do to pull us back into wherever we lost we lose some, we get pulled off into something else, or we are lacking some interest into it, and something happens in the middle and that pulls us again back into the program and session that is going. Thank you so much for all your support and help, sir. I really appreciate program. And I wanted to tell you one more thing. 20 years back, when I was doing my engineering in Chennai, actually I was a student of Gopal Shivakumar, sir. He took
Oh,
mechanics,
Yes.
engineering mechanics for me.
Oh, good, right.
So after 25 years, it's been a nice opportunity for him to learn something again from him. And with all your experiences and other things, I really loved to be a part of this program. And thanks again, sir, for this
Thank you. So you are my grand student.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I was thinking about the one thing. No, I was not always joking. Yeah, sometimes I speak something serious also. Please consider.
No, sir, but
I want to tell
it's
particularly one serious thing here. Because you are saying that you are introducing things and all. Some certain things, we don't understand what it is. No, we neglect it just like that small part. Check sheet is one thing. You know what is check sheet and how check sheet is very important. Check sheet is very, very important. I'll tell you a case study on this check sheet now, because I don't mind wasting time here, right? Because only few more people are pending, right? You take the patient going to a hospital, outpatient, and he is going to be operated. In the operation theater, people are going to join. A doctor who is going to operate, an assistant, a nurse, and what do you call that? Anesthesiast. So many people are there. Around 5-6 people will be there. One taking the tools and giving. No one assistant will be there. About 5-6 people will come there, and all these 5-6 people do not know each other. You know that? Because the operation may be new for the patient, and the nurse may be from another department, the assistant may be from another department. Because depending, it's a HR department, service department will provide these people who is available. And then anesthesiast will come and tell the patient. Everybody will speak nicely. Everybody will speak who I am, what I am going to do. What they do? Everybody is going to tell the patient what is he and what is he going to do. This is the one thing that is called check sheet. It conveys everything, and the operation goes smoothly and the surgery is successfully completed. Yes or no? It is not that check sheet means you will have to go through that and tick and everything and all. No, a standard procedure is there. Everything follows the check sheet. The things will go whatever, because people coming from different areas doing an operation on a patient unknown to them and then making it success. How big a job it is. You know that? All because of this small success of this check sheet. Thank you very much, Mohammed, for your wonderful feedback. I think Balasubramaniam, you are still pending, right?
Yes,
Balu
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So very good evening. Good evening to all, and very thankful to Vision Excellence, sir. Because about the program, if we wanted to speak, the program is very much structured, and the curriculum, the syllabus framed covers all the requirements, most of the requirements of the title. So that itself is a very good, and the coverage with respect to faculty, if you see all faculties are excellently thought about how to use this. They don't focus on the application. They focus more on basics. So if we are very good in basics, we can use it anywhere, any type of application. That way, the faculties are very excellent and very knowledgeable, and the content, like your material what you provide also is in line to what they thought, and in future also it is referable. That is what very much important. On top of that, you could able to provide one practical case study. So the overall structuring of the course and the faculty, it is very complete in nature. That is that is what it creates an excellent vision to the overall participants as well. So the name Vision Excellence is creating a very good excellent vision to the participants. That way, I recommend all to participate, because I have good networking. So I would recommend most of the people to this program, because I am also a trainer for IITF auditors, and I am also an IITF auditor. So this is a different perspective I could able to see with respect to this too. And apart from that, you are teaching. You, as I always used to tell, you took me to my college or school days. So that student-faculty relationship is very strong, and it continues as well. It continues as well with the Vision Excellence also. Thank you very much, and
Thank
all
you
the
very
best
much.
for all your future endeavors, Vision Excellence.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much. Right. I was talking to a Jambawan so far without knowing he's a Jambawan, right? Thank you very much. Thank
No,
you.
no, not like that, sir.
Yeah. Next, Tanika Chalam, you are there? Showed your face. Manikandan, you have finished, right? Yeah. Yes, Tanika Chalam, continue.
No, sir, not it. Not it.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Manikandan next. Yeah. Yes, Tanika Chalam, you can proceed. No, unmute and speak. Unmute and speak. Unmute. Yeah.
Yeah, I am Tanika Chalam Muthukumar. Muthukumar, I spoke already.
Oh, yes. Tanika Chalam Muthukumar, you spoke. But you changed your name here now, suddenly. It was
Yeah,
Muthukumar
because
so far.
I transferred to the mobile number, so sorry.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much again. Manikandan, I hope
Yes,
you have
sir.
not changed your name. Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can I go, sir? Or
Yes, sir. Please. Come. Don't go. Yeah. Yes.
okay, sir. Okay. So, very good evening, sir, and very good evening to everyone. First of all, I would thank Vision Excellence and the faculties for this wonderful training on the Black Belt course. It was an excellent learning journey for me in terms of understanding the concepts and where to apply. And all the faculties are spending like enough time to clarify our doubts, and especially your real world examples making us to understand the concepts very easily, sir. So I would definitely recommend this program to my other colleagues too in futures. And thank you, sir, and thank you everyone for this wonderful opportunity.
Yeah. He says thank you everyone means thank you all the participants, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. He thanks all the participants. Thank you very much.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir. This is Nagaraj Kulkarni.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Yes, sir. It's a wonderful sessions I have gone through from the Vision Excellence. A lot of things I have learned over from this all the mentors, all the faculties, especially from you. We have a lot of learnings. We got whatever the experience you have shared to us through family, examples, wife examples. So see, we can understand the things very easily, quickly, and we are very happy for that. And actually, I was planned for this session last 3-4 months before only, but I take some time to settle down. Then I opted this one. It was a really good experience for me, and I really learned a lot of things. And the presentations you have given, like level 1, level 2, level 3, all are good. I have gone through that, and whatever the hypothesis testing, I think before joining this course, I had seen your videos from the YouTube. You find sir, and in that you have explained the hypothesis testing in a very easy way. That's why I opted this course from Vision Excellence. So hypothesis is the one of the good topic in the Six Sigma. Most of the people will get confused, but you made it very easy for all the participants. It's really good for us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you very much. Thank you very much for the brief.
Hi,
Yes,
sir.
anybody else?
Yeah, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
Satya
sir.
here.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Very good evening and very, very thanks for you and all the faculties, sir. Really. Actually, last 1 month, I learned a lot of things actually. I had almost 19 years experience. In that experience, some that means some lean tools that and all I have learned from there actually. It is a totally last 19 years I have spent 3 companies I have worked there actually. So initially I have started my career in my commercial that and logistics that and all. After that only last 10 years only I had working with the production management. So that time also I don't have a chance to that learn this type of tools actually. Just working experience only I have learned lean tools that and all from my superior. But in this last 1 month, I have a lot of things I have learned. My perception also now changed actually. But currently, I am working with a small scale only. But what I'm thinking it's I have lot of scope on improvements. It is chances are there for implementing lot from these tools. We have to improve lot of things in my current industry. So definitely, I am very grateful for you and all the faculties like RK and GSK. Definitely, very, very thank you very much for your team, sir. It's a very great opportunity for us for improving my career as well as our learning experience, learning curve also. Now it's definitely it's improved a lot. So ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
நன்றி. Thank you very much.
உங்களுடைய the way of ஸ்பீச் வந்து ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்துச்சு ஆக்சுவலி. அது வந்து எந்த இடத்துலயுமே வந்து வந்து என்ன சொல்ற நீங்க அடிக்கடி சொல்றீங்க ரூடா இருக்கும்னு இட்ஸ் நாட் லைக் தட். இட்ஸ் நான் பார்க்கும் போது என்ன ஆப்வியஸ்லி ஐ எம் ஆல்சோ டீச்சர் லைக் ஒரு 20 இயர்ஸ் பேக் ஐ லைக் 12th + 2 மேக்ஸ் எடுத்துட்டு இருந்தேன். பட் அந்த இடத்துல எந்த இடத்துலயுமே நீங்க அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணல. பட் அஸ் எ டீச்சர் நம்ம ஆல்வேஸ் வந்து வி தாட் வி ஹேவ் சம் ரூட் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி நினைப்போம். பட் இட்ஸ் நாட் லைக் தட். சூப்பரா இருந்துச்சு நல்லா இருந்துச்சுங்க சார். தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் சார்.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. I think shall we close this?
Sir,
Sadapati,
myself is there, sir.
you're finished?
Yes, sir. Oh, very good evening to all, sir. Very good evening. Actually, sir, vision excellence, vision name itself is great. Showing name itself, showing properly how you people are doing actually. First of all, this is my pleasure experience to listening and learning and regarding learn Six Sigma knowledge from most experienced like you, expert like you and Mr. Sivakumar sir and Ravi Kumar sir. Definitely this will help me in to utilize in my future. And currently I'm working as a product establishment one private concern, and also in my colleagues definitely I will expertise the same what type of things your people are giving, and to my friends also I will recommend. Really it will help me in future. After 2-3 years now for a different department where though I am working, but previously I have worked in Chennai as a quality head in Yerugunakotai around 10 to 15 years, but we used only for AD and this cause and effect diagram and some different tool, just 2-3 tools only. Now based on this Six Sigma, definitely it will help me like a systematic way case study what you are giving, define, measure, analysis and improvement control. Okay, thank you at last to you all and your
Thank you very
support.
much. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you very much. Vinesh Shinde, have you finished? Please.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. I have.
Finished. Yeah, you have finished, I think. I think only I have not finished now. I have to finish by thanking everybody. I'm very happy that so many people are responding. Positive response from all of you is going to be a input for us, encouragement for us. That will encourage us to do more and more, learn more and more, and teach you more and more. I think I have also benefited a lot from people like senior people like Balu and Mohammed, Sachidananda, Muthukumar. So I think Ashok also is one, I think, youngster. When I say senior means in experience wise, expertise wise, I think. Thanks a lot to all of the people, all the participants. I'm sure that we always can meet again and again using YouTube or my channel or my website or anything. And I'm always available. You can always contact me
Sir,
through
could
my
you share
website.
your website details as well?
Yeah, I told you RK, sir. RK Maths.
So that's all.
Super. That's RK. I think I will close this show once again.
But earlier also you have given, but it was not